content. Like Shah Rukh Khan's movie Kalona, उसमें बहुत powerful message. He tells that Farida Jalal that ये Chinese लोग Chinese बेच रहे हैं, हम burger क्यों बेच रहे हैं, हम हिंदुस्तान है, we should sell our thing. And I think to me it still remains, as I call it, Indianness to the world. And so you're not competing with chefs. He said no. It's like today Jackie Shroff is trying to make recipes and share, and if Farah Khan is trying to do the content.
Yes.
He's like, you know, competition comes from where, you know, it's you can't say. And you know, he was talking about his Laughter Chef and the way you know, humor and food has come together, and you know how the show has exceeded ratings of, you know, the Kapil Sharma show which was there. And so I think, and I was asking him, you know, is it candid or is it scripted? And like it's pretty candid, and the kind of combination of humor in food which has happened.
But I wanna know here कि what actually is brand licensing, because किस वे में ये business work करता है, क्या exact business method है, because maximum of the audience don't know about brand licensing.
So brand licensing is understood at the topmost level where there are large corporate conglomerates or industrialists, क्योंकि वो seeding phase में है. So when we talk about what I am doing, so the idea was when we started brand licensing, like everybody said, okay, you have worked for Disney, you have worked for Marvel, you have worked for Viacom, and that's why you know, that's why आप brand licensing कर रहे हो celebrity. I said no, the marketing dynamics have changed. तो जो government जिस हिसाब से ecosystem चल रहा है, आपको license grant करता है, what do they look at, what are the parameters? Those have to be evolved.
Infrastructure उसके accordingly ready
मैं
होना
तुमको ना, I'll tell you some things now which are very hard hitting. Everybody is going to like, but I'll say it.
आज के एपिसोड को देखने से पहले मैं चाहूँगा आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें, बिकॉज बहुत ही रेयर ऐसा होता है जब आपको पूछने से ज़्यादा सुनने की क्यूरियोसिटी होती है. एंड आज का हमारा एपिसोड बिल्कुल ऐसा ही है जहाँ मैंने पूछने से ज़्यादा सुनना प्रेफर किया, बिकॉज उनके नॉलेज एंड एक्सपीरियंस से आई वॉज टोटली अमेज्ड. मिस्टर विशाल सिन्हा, जिनका मोर देन 20 ईयर्स का एक्सपीरियंस है इन रिटेल, ई कॉमर्स, consumer product licensing businesses, and now he's a COO of a leading group, Swag Fashions Hub, which built brand for celebrities and big media companies. अगर आपका इंटरेस्ट ब्रांड बिल्डिंग में है और आप इस डोमेन में वर्क कर रहे हैं, तो आज आपको बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा. यू विल लर्न हाउ कंज्यूमर साइकोलॉजी एंड ब्रांड पोजिशनिंग वर्क, और ऐसे ही इन डेप्थ चीज़ों के लिए इस एपिसोड को एंड तक जरूर देखें. मैं वैसे तो बैकएंड से आई डिड इंजीनियरिंग मैकेनिकल.
Wow.
I'm a mechanical engineer.
So you brought dignity to the family and self-worthiness. No, either you are an engineer or you have to be a doctor. उसके अलावा सब बेकार है. You are like the Farhan nitrate.
So in 2006 I did diploma in mechanical.
Okay.
And then after that I did job in Mahindra Swaraj for a year.
Wow.
ट्रैक्टर बनते हैं in Mohali only. And then for a year I did job in Jindal Steel, JSW, Ballari, Karnataka.
अरे वाह.
And then I came back क्योंकि मूवी देखते देखते एक दिन बहुत बड़ा अंदर से क्यूरियोसिटी जगी. और मूवी भी कौन सी थी जो हमारी
3 Idiots.
नहीं, जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा.
अरे वाह.
तो
My
उसने
favorite film.
हाँ, तो सेम हियर. एंड उसने ऐसा अंदर से वो डाला, यार सही में मैं कर क्या रहा हूँ, मैं कहाँ हूँ और चाहता क्या हूँ. तो जब मैं बेंगलोर में था JSW में, तो उस टाइम आई रियलाइज़ किया करियर ग्रोथ जो मैं देख रहा हूँ, जो मैं चाहता हूँ ना, वो बहुत स्लो है. इंडस्ट्री में अच्छा है, कंपनी अच्छी है, सब अच्छा है. तो फिर वहाँ से वापस आया. वहाँ से वापस आने के लिए अब करना क्या है, कुछ आइडिया नहीं था. तो वापस आया एंड आई स्टार्टेड बीटेक अगेन इन मैकेनिकल.
अच्छा.
बीटेक करते करते सडनली कहीं से उस 2011 की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, 2011 में ब्लॉगिंग की शुरुआत हुई थी इंडिया में. ब्लॉगिंग प्योरली कंटेंट राइटिंग और गूगल के थ्रू रेवेन्यू जनरेशन, वो सब स्टार्ट हुआ था. तो मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर वर्किंग ऑन डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म ऑनलाइन, और वहाँ से गूगल से रेवेन्यू जनरेट कर रहे थे. तो यहाँ से जर्नी की शुरुआत हुई. एंड 2013 कॉलेज के सेकेंड ईयर के एंड में ही आई स्टार्टेड माई कंपनी.
ओके.
तो फिर टीम हायर की.
What was the company?
कंपनी अगेन रिलेटेड टू ब्लॉगिंग ओनली. मतलब हम लोग ब्लॉग्स बना रहे हैं, वेबसाइट बनाया, गूगल में रैंक किया डिफरेंट नीड्स पे. जैसे आज आप यूट्यूब पे डिफरेंट चैनल्स देखते हो, कोई टेक चैनल है, कोई ऑटोमोबाइल पे है, कोई एंटरटेनमेंट पे है, ऐसे हमारी डिफरेंट वेबसाइट्स होती थी. तो वी हैव अ टीम फुल ऑफ कंटेंट राइटर, SEO,
Awesome.
वेबसाइट डिजाइनर एंड ऑल, सब
Storytelling, coming to that.
हाँ, तो ये सब करते करते इन 2016 जब सब सही चल रहा है परफेक्टली, तो एक कोट मेरे सामने फ्रंट में आया, व्हेन यू आर डूइंग गुड ना इन फाइनेंस टर्म्स, तो आपका माइंडसेट सोचने का बिल्कुल चेंज हो जाता है. तो उस टाइम जितने भी कोट्स नजर आते हैं ना, यू थिंक यार सही कह रहे हैं, सही लिखा हुआ है, एंड यस आई कैन डू दिस एज वेल. तो उस टाइम एक कोट बहुत आता था, गिविंग बैक टू सोसाइटी. तो तब समझ में नहीं आता था, मैं तो 25 साल का हूँ अभी, और ये 60 साल वालों का काम है गिविंग बैक टू सोसाइटी, या कोई बिलियनियर मिलियनियर हो तब कर सकते हैं, तो अभी मैं क्या करूँ. तो आई इग्नोर्ड. बट फिर अगेन कभी रॉक का कोट नज़र आ रहा है, एंड देन कभी किसी और का कोट नज़र आ रहा है, सेम गिविंग बैक टू सोसाइटी. तो आई थॉट यार क्या कर सकते हैं. फिर आया कि चलो यार, आई एम अ मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर, एक मैकेनिकल की फील्ड के रिलेटेड और ऑटोमोबाइल की फील्ड के ऊपर ही वेबसाइट बनाते हैं, जहाँ पे जो भी वर्ल्ड लेवल पर हो रहा है सबका अपडेट वहीं आएगा. तो आई स्टार्टेड दैट. बट अंदर से ना वो किक सी नहीं मिल रही थी, मजा सा नहीं आ रहा, ओके सी फील था. तो एक दिन बैठे बैठे ही ख्याल आया कि मैं लोकल चंडीगढ़ का रहने वाला हूँ, और मुझे ही नहीं पता शहर में क्या हो रहा है. तो वहाँ से मेरे जो आज हमारा ब्रांड है, कम्युनिटी ब्रांड चंडीगढ़ बाइट्स की शुरुआत हुई थी इन 2016. एंड वो प्योरली ये था कि हाँ, गिविंग बैक टू सोसाइटी. उससे मेरा कोई ऐसा मोटिव नहीं था कि आई हैव टू मेक मनी या कुछ करना है, नहीं. प्योरली सोसाइटी के लिए बनाएंगे, बिल्ड करेंगे, सब कुछ वहाँ करेंगे. तो वो स्टार्ट किया, एंड उसको स्टार्ट करते करते इन 2016-17 इंडिया में ई-कॉमर्स का बूम चल रहा था. तो देन वी स्टार्टेड सोर्सिंग प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम चाइना, सेलिंग थ्रू ऑनलाइन वेबसाइट, खुद की वेबसाइट, नॉट ऑन मार्केट प्लेसेस. एडवर्टीजमेंट रन कर रहे हैं, फेसबुक, गूगल, मेटा, सब जगह सब कुछ कर रहे हैं. खुद इन हाउस टीम बिल्डअप की, देन प्रोडक्शन का भी सेटअप किया है, टीम बिल्डअप की, सोशल मीडिया के लिए टीम बिल्डअप की, ब्रांड बिल्डिंग का काम स्टार्ट किया. तो यहाँ से ये सारी जो मेरी जर्नी है ई-कॉमर्स की टुवर्ड्स और ब्रांड बिल्डिंग, वो शुरुआत हुई.
ओके.
हाँ, और ये सब चलते चलते इन 2019.
So Chandigarh Bytes was more with an intent to give city specific updates.
Yes.
Okay.
Whatsoever happening in and around city,
I
we are
know.
publishing over there.
So I worked with a very interesting company way back, I think in 99. That time broadband भी नहीं होता था.
जी हाँ, उस टाइम तो नहीं होता था. Yes.
Okay. And very inspiring fellow. His name is Yatish Srivastav, and the idea was to do city specific portals. So they started Mumbai123.com, Delhi123.com. Campaign was also, he came from Lintas. Like there was this full page ad of Bombay Times with Barron Marine Drive, that stripe saying the entire city has shifted onto the web. And that time we had listed 50,000 shop and establishments on that. And you can look at GPS if you're traveling from Bandra to Andheri, and let's say HSBC was one of the branded content, and you want to locate a HSBC ATM, you could do it in 99. Wow. I'm talking about, and so it was very ahead of time, I would say. And what you say, like, I think, and then there were people like, if Sanjeev Kapoor was doing a section on food, there was Dr. Snehlata Pandey on fitness. They were pretty much iconic people on fitness, lifestyle, like how typically, so it was, I would say it's like a combination of print media, the newspaper, what used to give city updates, but at the same time giving meaningful information and data, because those were the days things were transitioning from yellow pages, पता directory होती थी phone की.
Yes, I know.
तो वहाँ से ये transition है, and what you're doing now I can connect, because somewhere, like when I also today, there is a channel, like I frequently travel to Dubai, there's Dubai Live or some Instagram. So then there is Dubai Live or something.
Right.
If you want to get city specific updates, you kind of follow through.
Yes.
There are many, but there are some who really delivers real time information.
Authentic and reliable.
Authentic and reliable. And secondly, the information which is coming through has to have some kind of neutrality in terms of, with regards to any agenda behind it, because everything eventually gets politicized.
Yes,
and I think if you can keep it as neutral as one could.
So because I am into this industry from 2011, तो I know अगर किसी में मिलियन पेज वो भी नंबर लेके आना, it's not a big deal for me, but still organically इसको purely build किया है, so that आज चंडीगढ़ में मैक्सिमम लोग, स्टिल आई बिलीव कि अभी बहुत सारे लोगों को नहीं भी पता, बट मैक्सिमम पीपल नो अबाउट अस.
Okay.
बिकॉज प्योरली रिलायबल और ट्रस्टवर्दी, कुछ फालतू नहीं डालते हम. मतलब कि कई बार ऐसा होता है कि वी डोंट पोस्ट एनी रिलीजियस कंटेंट, वी डोंट
Lovely.
पोस्ट एनी पॉलिटिकल कंटेंट,
Nice.
कुछ भी रूमरस, कुछ भी फेक, वी डोंट पोस्ट.
So I was just generally chatting with him. And I said, "What is happening?" He said, "Yeah, today as chefs we have kind of established ourselves, and it's been a journey. But competition comes from anywhere." And I'm like,
Yes.
"What?" And he's like, "Now everybody started cooking and putting videos." And I said, "So you're not competing with chefs?" He said, "No. It's like today, if Jackie Shroff is trying to make recipes and share,
Yeah.
and if Farah Khan is trying to do the content,
Yes.
he's like, competition comes from where, it's you can't say." And he was talking about his Laughter Chef and the way humor and food has come together, and how the show has exceeded ratings of the Kapil Sharma show, which was there. And so I think, and I was asking him, is it candid or is it scripted? And it's like it's pretty candid, and the kind of combination of humor in food which has happened, and also his position, and it has really kind of sometimes people say now that you manifest in the universe eventually. So his quotient was always happiness. He's known as a happy chef. I think he created something around happy chef also earlier.
Okay. Yeah.
And if you look at food, अभी जैसे बॉम्बे में लोग खाना खाएंगे, क्या खाओगे? पंजाबी. एक्चुअली उडुपी होटल भी होगा आज ये पंजाबी क्या है, मटर पनीर ये सब.
वो ट्रेंड चल चुका है.
नहीं तो ये ट्रेंड रहा है शुरू से. सो इम्पैक्ट बहुत है, बट ऑथेंटिक पंजाबी फूड कहाँ है? एंड समटाइम्स आई बिलीव probably there are a lot of messages if you watch content like Shah Rukh Khan's movie Kalona, उसमें बहुत powerful messages है. He tells that Farida Jalal that ये चाइनीज लोग चाइनीज बेच रहे हैं, हम बर्गर क्यों बेच रहे हैं, हम हिंदुस्तान है, we should sell our thing. And I think to me it still remains, as I call it, Indianness to the world. And this was, I was telling Manushi also, we were discussing in terms of what's her thing about developing the brand. It was just a candid conversation, and I said, you have to represent Indianness to the world. You're the most beautiful woman in the world, Indian woman, and you have to be thrive on that. And how do you bring that? Because the way I am looking at the consumer business in the fashion world, आज आप गोरों के साथ गोरों के business में कैसे compete करोगे? It's not that you can't compete, and I'm not saying, but I'm saying you have to look at gaps and spaces. It took a Gora to make a Fab India, right?
Yes.
Why can't we make an Indian brand and make it a global brand from India? And I said, let's look at synergies, because Indian, ये जो है ना, Indian wear, Western wear, ethnic wear, कुछ नहीं, it's a woman's wear. I think brands like Anita Tongre has transcended Indian and Western and amalgamation, but they have then again broken it into global desi. So when you look at what do you represent, you don't get classified by the existing ecosystem. You look at what do you bring to the table.
Right.
For example, the Indian beauty, like I was talking to one other actress, and she was telling me that, when you go to buy lingerie, there's this nude collection and you don't have the Indian shade of the skin in it.
You need,
and see, Indian bodies are different. They are not, so and she's a very big actress, and I don't want to spill the beans here, but and there are conversations that I have which really help me kind of structure a business based on their experiences. So when we talk about what I'm doing, so the idea was, when we started brand licensing, like everybody said, okay, you have worked for Disney, you have worked for Marvel, you have worked for Viacom, and that's why that's why आप brand licensing कर रहे हो celebrity. I said no. The marketing dynamics have changed.
But I want to know here कि what actually is brand licensing, because किस वे में ये business work करता है, क्या exact business method है, because maximum of the audience don't know about brand licensing कि ये भी एक चीज़ है चल रही है मार्केट में. एंड यू,
इंडिया में सबको फ्रेंचाइजिंग पता है.
yes.
फ्रेंचाइजिंग में क्या होता है, सो आई टेल यू प्रोडक्ट कैसे बनता है कंपनी. फॉर एग्जांपल, देयर इज अ कंपनी हु हैज अ प्रोडक्ट स्ट्रेटजी, दे मेक अ प्रोडक्ट,
राइट,
okay, based on the ecosystem they develop the distribution system, they have branding and marketing, and there is a consumption, and any business becomes a perennial business because on the repeat purchase. Okay, that's how businesses are created. When fashion business moved from in the early 90s from stitched clothes to ready-made. There are a lot of brands who came into the picture. They wanted to really build the reach. There were department stores like Shoppers Stop happened, and few brands partnered with Shoppers to retail. And I think that's where the entire modern retail or organized, I don't say organized retail because I think sometimes traditional retailers are more organized than us also. I'll say modern retail. And they wanted to reach out to more audiences. So product भी बना हुआ है, retail format भी है, तो इन्होंने franchising शुरू किया. Because if you let's say want to have a store in Chandigarh or Jaipur, you don't have a sales team to service it.
Right.
And then they thought, okay, if a local retailer, जैसे लोग हैं, there are a lot of these wealthy families who has got shops and all, and if they, and for them it was a no-brainer. You know, do you take a Nike franchisee, Adidas or Louis Philippe or Wrangler and open stores? बिकॉज वहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट भी बनाया है,
सब कुछ
सिस्टम भी
है,
बनाया है, ERP जो भी आपका पॉस सिस्टम, ये सिस्टम आपको बस कस्टमर हैंडल करना है, बेचना है. तो फ्रेंचाइजिंग इज द लास्ट लेग, क्योंकि प्रोडक्ट भी बन चुका है, यू आर एट द रिटेल इंटरफेस. लाइसेंसिंग इज नॉट देयर. लाइसेंसिंग इज एट द सीडिंग फेज ऑफ द बिजनेस, जहाँ पे ब्रांड और प्रोडक्ट इंक्यूबेट हो रहा है, वहाँ पे है. तो लाइसेंसिंग एंटेल्स बिल्डिंग एन एंटायर SBU with the licensee partner organization. So if you look at, let's say, Arvind Mills या Madura है, if they have brands like Tommy Hilfiger or somebody is doing some foreign brand, they have license and doing it. तो वो जब लाइसेंस ब्रांड लेके आते हैं तो वो उनका पूरा टीम है. Their cards are also on their license brand. They don't say कि मेरी कंपनी है, मेरा नाम होगा. No. If today look at Reliance brands, they have got all the brands today to India, right? So they are typically taken the license, but they are extending. And also when you depend on the deal, sometimes you can locally manufacture and source the product and develop. For example, look at Jockey,
right?
How it started. Okay, it's an international brand. There was a partner which has built it to a couple of thousand crores, right? So brand licensing is understood at the topmost level where there are large corporate conglomerates or industrialists, क्योंकि वो सीडिंग फेज में है. ब्रांड लाइसेंसिंग एक ट्रेडिंग लेवल पे भी लोग समझते हैं. जैसे कि आज आप स्टेशनरी ला रहे हो चाइना से, उसमें डिज्नी मिकी माउस छपा हुआ है, आपने ला के बेच दिया, पैसे बना लिए, बिकॉज किड्स लव कैरेक्टर मर्चेंडाइज. आज सपोज बिग बाज़ार खुल गया या अदर मल्टीपल रिटेल फॉर्मेट्स, आप उनके पास जाओगे, वो बोलेंगे ये ऑफिशियल मर्चेंडाइज है क्या, आपके पास लाइसेंस है, क्योंकि दे डोंट सेल काउंटरफीट्स. तो बिकॉज ऑफ द शेयर ऑफ मॉडर्न रिटेल विच got built from 90s to 2000, everybody who were even doing parallel imports, they started either getting license and then they started sourcing, and then they had, you know, responsible sourcing started. So the development, so when modernization happens, it corrects a lot of things. Right? So trading model also, people might get some stock lot and distribute. Like for example, in traditional market, Bombay में Crawford market है, दिल्ली में करोल बाग है या गांधी, जो भी है, every like Calcutta has, every certain patch or region has their own wholesale markets. People go and custom manufacture or take stock lots, and so that's a very different trade, appealing to a very different consumer. For a consumer, let's say, who's going to the corporate and leading a corporate lifestyle, going to malls, you know, sophisticated, and not really going into hustle bustle of trade and dhakkam dhukki market. Usko, what does the consumer need? Okay, consumer will want to wear a brand not because of the status quo, but the ecosystem that he's living in offers that brand ecosystem. He would go buy, and he wants to wear a brand which is good on the skin, which fits well, and also the consumers have their own self-concept. Abhi, like you are wearing this designer shirt. There are a lot of people, like he's wearing checks. Now his self-concept, like so let's say if you have a crore in your account, he has a crore and he has a crore. You will all dress differently because आपका individual self-concept अलग है. You know, so the brands are based. So the brands of today's generation are based on psychographics, consumer psychographics. Like if I'll tell you an example of a big burly man riding a Harley Davidson, or you might call it an Antony, or maybe he's riding a Royal Enfield and modified. He's wearing a certain kind of a jacket or a singlet or a
Hoodie hoodies, हाँ,
जीन्स है,
हाँ,
टैटूड बंदा
yes.
होगा, तो वो क्या लेगा, कौन सी ब्रांड लेगा, what is the kind of, तो you have a self concept of it. If there is one person, and this concept actually came through a very interesting professor in during my MBA days. It was Sanjay Masand, and he said there is a person like Tiwari, he's wearing that golden frame, उसका वो
yes.
पाउच होगा, तो वो क्या लेगा, वो सैंडल पहनेगा, राइट, वो क्या लेगा, पैरागॉन लेगा, बाटा लेगा, क्या लेगा. तो आप अगर ना इस हिसाब से ना कंज्यूमर साइकोग्राफिक्स पे ग्रुप्स बना दो. There are some people who are introvert, geeky,
Right,
they want to
right,
blend in, not wear bright colors. And then there are people, like say in Punjab, सबको crisp कपड़े चाहिए, US Polo.
Yes.
उनको अगर आप वो थोड़े desaturated, blended, collegiate fashion वाला दे दो, बोले ये तो पुराना सा लग रहा है, नया लग भी नहीं रहा है. तो some people, but there are some people who want to blend in, not to be seen. वो olive पहनेंगे, ये पहनेंगे, and they will. So there are different kind of consumer groups.
Means according to you जितने भी different kind के ये consumer groups हैं, उनके accordingly उनको identify करके उनके
in a marketing language they call it STP, segmenting, targeting and positioning. तो आप एक consumer के लिए बना रहे हो. For example, when you look at all the fashion brands, there are none of the fashion brands for youth. कौन सा है? सब everything is for the 30 and 40 year old.
Right.
Fact है. I would say in terms of younger, the newer brand which has come is maybe in menswear would be Jack and Jones. It's very young in its approach, could be. But India में Hollister है, या Abercrombie and Fitch है, or the entire vibe of the store. Where do you find youngsters going in? And I think the youngest brand that I saw in India was Archie's. Right. You would have experienced cards के लिए. तो वो जो crowd जा रहा है उसको आप क्या दे रहे हो? There is no destination retail. Like if you go to let's say an involved market और दुबई जाओ, Virgin store देखो आप, गेमिंग के लिए क्या सेक्शन है, you will be inspired. You will say यार ये यंगस्टर वाला वाइब है, वहाँ पे भी टी शर्ट्स है. जैसे अभी ये सोल्ड स्टोर बना है, टारगेटिंग दैट यंगस्टर, राइट. एंड इफ यू लुक एट बेसिकली द कंज्यूमर ग्रुप्स, ब्रांड्स, सो एवरीथिंग has to be marketed to a certain consumer segment. You can't say that, okay, unless and until you are making underwear. I'm just saying, but again, today, if the guys are wearing a low hanging anti-fit or loose fit, तो उसको Calvin Klein दिखानी है, जिम में चेंज कर रहा है. So he'll buy that 2,000, 2,500 underwear, right? If you don't have to take off, yes. Like Salman Khan had one interview had said, आपके पति को किसके सामने शर्ट नहीं निकालनी पड़ती. And why is maintained, So it's all about visibility, but at the same time, it is somewhere about functionality also. For example, you would want to wear clothes which people say, style, my style is my comfort. You need to have certain comfort. And there are two things from a consumer standpoint. One is an external validation. One is for self-concept. For example, I wear stuff because it is all about what I need. I am not wearing stuff in terms of how people are judging me. But 90% of the people,
they still gonna judge.
हाँ, they are saying that अच्छा मैं इधर जा रहा हूँ ना, तो मेरे को ये visibility चाहिए. Like in my shirt, there is no brand visible right now, right? There is no brand. And this is also Under Armour, but unless and until you see me walking out.
So generally, I also prefer without any brand name and all. सबका अपना.
हाँ, because क्या है ना, there is this entire concept of self-worthiness which has come through. Like a lot of people say I am Apple people and Android hai. And I somewhere feel there is a class of people, I'm not meaning the entire Apple consumer with due regards to Steve Jobs, but these people who buy phones, by taking things on EMI, who are staying in rented houses, who are breaking their banks and buying the phone because how people are going to judge me. Because it has become a concept of self-worthiness. Yes. If you are, let's say, carrying an iPhone, you can afford, it's good. But India, you look at the stats. I'm not saying, it's not my personal opinion.
बहुत बढ़ चुका है अब actually.
You will be surprised. Like the other day I met someone, like my maid is using the iPhone 15, So ये बिकॉज क्या है ना, कंपैरिजन है. पहले लोग बोलते थे लाइक, आजकल काफी मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर्स है. कौन है उपेंद्र? इज लाइक, चादर छोटी हो तो क्यों चादर. अरे बॉस, सिंपल लॉजिक है. ड्रीम बिग बट बी रियलिस्टिकली अलाइंड to your means, current means. I was surprised when I read a report on the financials, you know, in terms of spends. Average Indian household income, which used to be sold, which is average maintained in saving bank account, has crashed almost by half.
Recently, I also read कि
if you look at, there is a stats in terms of the spend pattern. Earlier, people were taking loans to create assets.
Yes.
Now it's
nowadays,
on the.
yes, I also read that.
You read
yes,
that, right?
Yes.
So overall, we are spending the money which we haven't earned.
Yes,
we are
right.
moving into the same cash trap
Of
Americans
yes,
on the US.
yes.
But US में पैसा दिया जा रहा था. वहाँ पे आप जाओ, $5,000 कमा लोगे.
Yes.
यहाँ पे कितने लोग कमा सकते हैं? You know, so I would say.
So I also worried कि जो ये पैटर्न चल रहा है बहुत गलत चल रहा है.
No, so I'll tell you what. This has all social impact. I don't want to get into deeper and darker side of the society, but somewhere I think the entire dynamics of society has changed. Earlier, information of retention was called education. Rattu tota log jo bolte hain. Today, information is on Google. You don't need to retain it, and which is good, I think. I'm saying it's not, but it's a simple example. I'll tell you what. आप जब चल के कोई सिटी घूमते हो ना, आपको रास्ते याद हो जाते हैं. जब आप कैब में जाते हो, रास्ते नहीं याद होते. एंड दिस गूगल इज द कैब. तो इन्फॉर्मेशन जो एक्सपीरियंस और लर्निंग से आप गेन करते हो ना, विच इज़ रिटेन्ड, विच व्हेन यू टेक अ डिसीजन मेकिंग जो प्रोसेस होता है ना, व्हेन यू प्रोसेस इट रियली हेल्प्स यू कंप्यूट दैट. दिस डजंट हेल्प यू. एंड आई हैव सीन पीपल, उनको कुछ भी पूछो पहले गूगल टाइप करते हैं. ठीक है. सो इट इज़ गुड दैट इट इज़ एक्सेसिबल, बट आई थिंक एज society is progressing, there has to be some balance. And in terms of your time, like earlier people said television.
आप अपने की डिसीजन गूगल के बेस पे नहीं ले सकते ना.
हाँ,
आप अपने की डिसीजन लाइफ के या किसी भी पॉइंट के गूगल से नहीं ले सकते.
See, I am a Bose customer. I have my own preferences. मेरा जो पोर्टेबल स्पीकर भी Bose है. It's not about I want to show it to, because the quality of sound that it really. I'm not saying JBL is bad or Harman Kardon. मेरे पास, I used it, like for example for my house, one of my other house, I've taken a Yamaha system. Yamaha is professional grade.
Yes.
Not a lot of, but see, होता क्या है ना, आप लाइफ में जो एक्सपीरियंस करते हो ना, आप बोलते हो ना, you have to train your palate. So as you will evolve ना, for example earlier, you know, I could go to a non-AC place, do it, but अभी ना थोड़ा डिस्कम्फर्ट हो जाता है. ऐसा नहीं है कि
नहीं जा सकते,
चोचले हैं, बट योर एबिलिटी इन द नॉर्मल लाइफ टू एक्सपीरियंस सो मच ऑफ हीट एंड ह्यूमिडिटी इज गॉन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू लेट्स से इफ यू सिट इन अ रेंज रोवर, इट ग्लाइड्स. वो उतना चलती नहीं है, वो ग्लाइड होती है. एंड आफ्टर दैट व्हेन यू सिट इन एन ऑटो, यू नो, सो व्हेन यू कम other day, let's say you sit in an auto and come, you feel damn tired, तुम्हारा bones के jerk, but आपको बहुत next gen recovery में issue है. And these are things, you know, that you will start experiencing. When you're young, you don't experience all this.
Yes.
You know, because your quality of life. So sometimes people say I have to be resilient, fitness करो, work, सब करो, but जो चीज़ें हैं ना, so every product delivers a certain comfort. And like for example, मेरे को माई टॉलरेंस ऑफ नॉइज इज गॉन डाउन. लाइक शांत जगह पे हूँ. अभी जैसे ऑटो में बैठो, कोई मार्केट से आ रहा है, डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ स्मेल्स. सो लाइक पीपल से, अरे यार यू आर टॉकिंग लाइक अ फॉरेनर. मतलब फॉरेनर नहीं है, बिकॉज यू नो माई रूट ऑफ वर्क और वॉट एवर यू डोंट टेक. सो समवेयर जो सोसाइटी है और द वे इंडिया इज ऑल्सो ग्रोइंग, देयर इज टू बी सम कोहेसिवनेस in terms of government infrastructure and the private sector. आज आपने घर ले लिया बहुत अच्छा फैंसी बिल्डिंग में, आपका घर में सब 5-star फैसिलिटीज है, बड़ा बाहर जैसे निकलोगे गड्ढे है, यू नो, कचरा पेटी होगी दैट यू कैंट शिफ्ट. सो एक जो फॉर एग्जांपल मैं बेसिक बताऊँ, रिटेल की बात हो रही थी ना, आप रिटेल के लिए क्या करते हो? हर स्टेट के एक तो लाइसेंसेज अलग हैं. इंडिया इज़ नॉट वन कंट्री. व्हेन यू कम टू बिजनेस और एनीथिंग, पहले जीएसटी ये सब अभी जो किया है, पहले आप लोकल टैक्स दो, फिर स्टेट
Service
टैक्स,
tax,
जो
हाँ,
भी
state
है
tax, yes.
था, वो मोड चेंज हो गया। बट बेसिक लॉजिक, आप दुकानदार हो, आपने जाके क्या लिया, शॉप एंड एस्टैब्लिशमेंट एक्ट,
Right.
हो गया। अभी आपको उसने धंधा करने के लिए दिया है जगह, और उसके बाद नेक्स्ट दिन सपोज आपके घर के दुकान के बाहर लग जाता है नो पार्किंग का बोर्ड। यू हैव गिवन शॉप एंड एस्टैब्लिशमेंट, आपने एक ब्रांड चालू किया है, वो आदमी गाड़ी में आएगा,
Yes. Right.
उसके आसपास ना उन्होंने कोई ऐसा पार्किंग के 3-4 लेयर, जैसे
infrastructure
अमृतसर में गोल्डन टेम्पल के बाहर बहुत अच्छी पार्किंग फैसिलिटी है,
अब बना दिया।
बट आपने जब देखा है मार्केट से ये सब है, तो जो गवर्नमेंट जिस हिसाब से इकोसिस्टम चल रहा है, आपको लाइसेंस ग्रांट करता है, व्हाट डू दे लुक एट, व्हाट आर द पैरामीटर्स, दोस हैव टू बी इवॉल्व्ड।
इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर उसके अकॉर्डिंगली रेडी
मैं
होना
तुमको ना,
चाहिए।
आई विल टेल यू सम थिंग्स ना व्हिच आर वेरी हार्ड हिटिंग, एवरीबडी इज गोइंग टू लाइक, बट आई विल से इट। पीपल्स मोबिलिटी, ओके, इज द मोस्ट क्रूशियल थिंग। आप घर से ऑफिस जाते हैं, ऑफिस से कहीं जाते हो, कोई स्कूल जाता है, कोई कहाँ हॉस्पिटल जाता है। बेसिक लॉजिक, नोडल पॉइंट्स क्या है, बस स्टैंड्स, एयरपोर्ट, रेलवे स्टेशन और मे बी बोटिंग डॉक्स, पोर्ट्स, वट एवर, 4 ही है,
राइट।
हाँ, 5 तो 5वां नहीं है। नाउ लेट्स से you take a flight from Chandigarh airport, you go to Bombay. Okay, for all these nodal points, if people are coming, there has to be a further mode of transport to be given.
Yes.
गवर्नमेंट ने क्या बना रखा है, ऑटो, टैक्सी, टैक्सी वाले लुटेरे हैं, कोई सिस्टम फॉलो नहीं होता है, सब जगह की बात है। अभी एक बंदे ने, भावेश अग्रवाल ने ओला बनाई, उबर है,
Yes.
और वो एक फैसिलिटी दे रहे हैं जो आइडली आपका ट्रांसपोर्ट इकोसिस्टम शुड हैव डिलीवर्ड।
Yes.
पर उस पर भी आप 150 रुपया या 140 यहाँ पे लेते हैं चंडीगढ़ में। किस बात के ले रहे हो? एक तो आपने वो बनाया नहीं है, कस्टमर ऑलरेडी पे रहा है, वो आदमी हर साल रोड टैक्स भर रहा है, आप जो पैसा भी दे रहे हो उस पर भी जीएसटी दोगे, वो पेट्रोल ले रहा है, वो भी वो दुगने तिगने दाम पे ले रहा है जितने आ रहा है, जो भी है। सो ओवरऑल आई एम सेइंग, जो बेसिक चीज़ें हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल वी आर लिविंग इन अ कंट्री, एवरी स्टेट यू गिविंग टैक्सेस, मोबिलिटी and infrastructure has to be provided, right?
Right.
Mobility is very basic, क्योंकि आप बोल रहे हो कि कार्बन फुटप्रिंट, ठीक है मैं पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट यूज़ करूंगा, बट आप दे रहे हो क्या?
दे क्या रहे हो?
यू आर बर्निंग अ होल इन माई ब्लडी पॉकेट। जैसे किसने एक जोक किया था, कोई अभिमन्यु उपमन्यु में बोला कि मैं उतरा और मुझे जाना था पुणे, बोला कैसे जाना, बोला कैब ले लो चले जाओ, पैसे भी लगते हैं। यू नो, ये जो थॉट है ना कि पैसे भी लगते हैं, बिकॉज एवरीबडी इज अज्यूम कि आइदर देयर इज रिच और पुअर को तो पूछना ही नहीं है, और जो रिच है वो तो खर्चा कर लेगा। समवेयर दैट सेंसिटिविटी टुवर्ड्स द लोकल पॉपुलेशन, एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस बिकॉज व्हेन यू आर डूइंग चंडीगढ़ बाइट्स, फॉर एग्जांपल यू जस्ट वर्क फॉर ऑल दिस नोडल पॉइंट्स इन चंडीगढ़, व्हाई अ कंज्यूमर हैज टू पे एक्स्ट्रा? And something which is a private entity has created, instead of facilitating and rewarding it, you're penalizing them.
Yes.
So somewhere the ecosystem which has to evolve where we live, at the pace that the world is moving, we are not keeping up with the pace of the business, which is a fact.
Right.
You know, and democracy, right? Democracy is overrated. I'll tell you why. For example, if there are 100 losers in the room, I'm just saying, and there are 10 intelligent people, and when the fate of the 10 intelligent people who are taxpayers are determined by the 100 losers who have no clue, but they are getting a free biryani or a 500 rupees. You know, so this entire system doesn't value meritocracy. Or if there is 7 crore population in the country which has got PAN cards, and out of that I think 4 crore pays taxes, rest 3 crores will just file, is carrying the burden of the rest 140 crores.
Only I guess 1.5 to 2% people.
What is the point? Are you giving the privilege? Are they are exempted of paying toll? कुछ तो दो उनको.
Nothing. They are getting
या emergency services है, या they are getting some no taxes on health. I'm saying somewhere when you said ना giving back to the people who are contributing तो होना चाहिए. आज जैसे लोग कनाडा क्यों जा रहे हैं बाहर, क्योंकि आज रिटायरमेंट हो गया, there is some kind of comfort, there is some assistance which comes, or maybe in a evolved country or developed, if you take a time off from work, you get some stipend. यहाँ पे क्या है, आप eventually और like I was seeing, I don't know name, but I read someone, I don't know if it's true or not, and someone says that Shah Rukh Khan's daughter has taken some property and she's classified as a farmer in that, you know. And I'm seeing if that is the kind of norm, and because there is tax exemption and people have bought farms, or I'm not saying I have nothing against anybody's daughter or any big talent, and I think I respect them for what they have. But when people who are really higher up there, and if they are manipulating the ecosystem, so that's where, you know, we feel that the ecosystem has given this to people who really need it. But for example, laws in India, crazy. I don't want to get into things, but there's a law, like you're sitting with me, if I'm a woman and I go and say that this guy molested me, you're behind the bar. There's no law that says prove it. Australia, like one of my friend was there, somebody told something to him, but in the court of law, because it was false. You know, at least there is,
we don't have that kind of
so
laws,
there has to be, I'm saying that entire ecosystem, whether it's the judiciary, whether it's basic mobility or basic infrastructure, you know, all of that. And people who are really having the capability and the intelligence, people say na Bharat वापसी करेंगे, क्यों जा रहा है? Because if you are doing well, you will become self-centered. से यार मेरा quality of life यहाँ पे मैं क्या करूँ, मैं वहाँ पे करूँगा, इतने time I have a certain lifestyle.
Government से भी facility मिल रही है.
So a lot of youth when they go to study outside, you know, they prefer staying outside. It's not because of anything else. Definitely there is an aspiration. But for example, Mumbai, highest tax paying city in the country.
Yes.
What is the infrastructure? Romans built roads centuries back, right? And they were invaded by all. हमें एक बेसिक टार की रोड नहीं, whatever people will say, यहाँ पे बारिश ज़्यादा होती कम होती है, अरे भाई what is, there is a way how people will talk about what language you speak and where you for all agendas, but somewhere I think people have to look at that. Like every city, आप कहीं पे भी जाओ, anywhere you will fly, which is the nearest location you want to fly outside India?
You can go to Dubai, you can go to Singapore. यार
रोड देखो ना यार, बेसिक सिंगापुर जाओ, किधर भी जाओ, गाइस गो टू बैंकॉक, गो वेरेवर, यार रोड्स में खड्डे कहाँ पे हैं?
बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. अरे गाड़ियाँ ऐसे चमकती हुई लगती है जैसे कि अभी धुल के आई हो.
No, so in Dubai there is a fine if you don't wash your car, and you know. So what I'm trying to say is the entire it's not about saying अरे क्या हुआ है क्या किया, but I'm saying as individuals people are really looking at things. Like somebody asked Nirmala Sitharaman on tax, he said हमसे ज़्यादा तो ब्रोकर ने बोला कि गवर्नमेंट कमा रही है.
गवर्नमेंट कमा रही है.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल आज आपके इनकम पे टैक्स कट के आ रहा है जितना भी है, हाईएस्ट स्लैब 30-33% whatever, खर्चे पे भी एवरेज 18% जा ही रहा है, तो 50-51% तो बाहर जा रहा है बॉस.
हम गवर्नमेंट के लिए कमा रहे हैं.
No, 6 months you are working for them. You could have
the same.
You know, taken a vacation and done 6 months. And after that, the day you sit home, the day you're fired, let's say in COVID, what comes back to you? No, then they are giving to the people who they have given 500 rupees or a biryani. उसको 5,000 उसमें डाल रहे हैं. So there is lack of accountability, there is high-headedness, there is no equilibrium, I'm saying. There is no equilibrium. And people will say life is not fair. It's not about fairness. Somewhere, if you go and live in a country, you would want, okay, at least my mobility is sorted. You know, for example, you mentioned Dubai. Anywhere to anywhere, कितना टाइम लगता है? 15 मिनट, 20 मिनट, 30 मिनट, उससे ज़्यादा तो नहीं लगता, राइट? आप चले जाते हो, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर सही है, भले इतना हीट है, बट यू डोंट फील इट बिकॉज इट्स बीन. सो आई एम सेइंग अगर घर बैठे या आराम सबको मिल जाए, लोग बाहर जाएं क्यों? एंड द वे the entire ecosystem is working, it's not business friendly or oriented. आज स्टार्टअप आप जाओ, बैंक के पास जाओ, वही बोलेंगे अरे तुम्हारा कोलेटरल क्या है, तुम्हारे नाम पे क्या है.
इतना इजी नहीं है लोन लेना.
D2C ये सब जो है बातें जो है और जो एक्चुअल हो रहा है, इसमें बहुत फर्क है.
चलो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट D2C ओनली. सो आपका ओवरऑल 20 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है पूरे इस फील्ड में, एंड राइट नाउ यू आर बिल्डिंग ब्रांड्स फॉर डिज्नी हो गया, आपका मार्वल्स है, MTV है. सो हाउ टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम स्क्रैच, फ्रॉम द स्ट्रेटजी पार्ट?
स्क्रैच में आजकल जो टेम्पलेट चल रहा है वो है, गूगल पे ट्रेंड देखो, अमेजोन पे क्या हो रहा है वो ले आओ. ट्रांजैक्शनल बिजनेस इज वन बिजनेस. आई डोंट बिलीव इन ट्रांजैक्शनल बिजनेस. इट कैन मेक यू सम क्विक मनी, yes, no, but you should always look at what are you building, how are you creating value. That's how I think. And when you say think big, you think about value creation. And when I joined Disney way back in 2006-07, and everyone has just done marketing and everybody knows, okay, Philip Kotler and marketing, branding ऐसे होता है. But Disney was like a very different thing. It's like you are taught एक product है, उसका USP क्या है, उसका बेनिफिट क्या है, कम्युनिकेट करो, लुक एट योर वो टाइम पे सोशियो इकोनॉमिक क्लासिफिकेशन होता था, नॉट विद साइकोग्राफिक्स एंड टारगेट एंड पुश योर प्रोडक्ट, प्राइसिंग, पोजिशनिंग. डिज्नी वाज डिफरेंट. डिज्नी डजंट मेक अ प्रोडक्ट एंड सेल इट, अनलाइक पार्क्स में दे डू. बट दैट इज, एंड दैट आई, इन माई ओन वर्ड, आई कॉन्ट दिस वर्ड कॉल अनमार्केटिंग. अनमार्केटिंग क्या है? दिस इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. सो डिज्नी इज ऑल अबाउट स्टोरी टेलिंग. So I'll tell you, when you say ना brand and marketing, कुछ नहीं है, everything is story telling, जो हम कर रहे हैं अभी,
राइट,
इंडिया में जो पंचायत बोलते हैं हम. बट स्टोरी टेलिंग को मोनेटाइज करते हैं वो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू कैप्चर किड्स वेरी यंग, तो डिज्नी क्या कर रही है? दे आर सेइंग हाउ आर वी creating impressions through our stories. So they have taken stories which is in the common domain. It's not patented. Snow White is a overall story, and they created their version and visual depiction of it. They've created this Disney princess, Cinderella, Snow White, Aurora, Sleeping Beauty, whatever, Tangled, Rapunzel, XYZ. And let's say if you're a father and you have a daughter, you are reading her those books while she's memorizing, and she sleeps with those thoughts. She has developed this self-concept of being a princess.
Right.
You are addressing her as a princess. In the birthday, you are addressing her as a princess. Her bed is like a princess. And she is also waking up and watching content on TV, princess ki film. She's watching now videos on YouTube or whatever channels.
पूरा thought process ही
princess.
उस according build up.
So they are creating impressions through publishing, through television content, through digital content. And when you go to Disneyland, you really experience that in reality. So the kind of impressions in your formative years when it's created, it has a very strong connection. And then they bring the consumer products. And you buy, you want to relive the version of princess. So you'll buy a princess bed, princess bedsheet, princess का button, जो भी है, switch buttons तक आते हैं, towels, bags, compass, back to school, princess का dress, costumes, dolls. So they end up at least consuming 100 different categories of product to live that princess dream, because you want to emulate that life. As a boy, let's say if you're watching Marvel Spider-Man, you don't differentiate until a certain 6-7 years of age between real and fantasy life, and you transcend between those. So तुम crawl कर रहे हो, you're feeling you're Spider-Man, you're living that story. वो होता है.
Yes.
You know, and you want everything of that character. And this storytelling really create brand impressions. आज ये जो सोल स्टोर चल रहा है वो बचपन के ब्रांड इंप्रेशंस है ना,
उन्हीं को
which are deeply embedded in your heart. When you see it, it invokes it, and you'll say there is a kid, बोलते हैं ना, हर आदमी के अंदर बच्चा होता है, वो उसी बच्चे को, and it makes you feel lighter, cooler.
Right.
Okay, so these are stories which are told very early on, which you want to relive. And they don't make one product. Like today, Nike is a brand built on, let's say, shoe, and then athleisure clothing, definitely activewear, whatever you used to call. But Disney boss सब बना के बेचता है. Lighting, telephone, everything. You think of a product, you know, baby oil से लेके to everything, because you have that connection, emotional connection. Because see, every brand invokes emotions. अभी मैंने जैसे बोला, which is the best car you've sat in?
Range Rover.
हाँ, so when I say Range Rover, what emotion? It evokes luxurious emotion. You know, when I say बचपन में आप McDonald's गए थे?
बचपन में नहीं गए थे, उस टाइम तो नहीं था.
So
after मेरे ख्याल 2000.
Yeah, but what is the vibe you get McDonald's?
Yes.
What is the emotion?
Yes. I got it. Yes, happiness.
Yeah, so they're selling happiness, not
yes.
burgers, right? So I'm saying every brand invokes emotion, and Disney really connects that. And Disney targets a kids-driven family. आज मैक्स रिटेल भी जो बना के डिज्नी लाइसेंस बेच रहा है, बिकॉज दे वांट द मदर एंड द किड टू वॉक इन द स्टोर, you know, and that's why kidswear is the biggest. They are the largest contributor of the kidswear sales today in the retail ecosystem. I don't know whether you know, the kidswear contribution is close to 23 to 25%. I don't know if it's changed in recent 1 or 2 years, but as far as, because you know, so I have certain data on brands, and so Disney believes in storytelling, and I'm saying today when I did my marketing, you know, and in my college, and there is every dream that you look at. Some people say, "Meko kya karna hai?" And I said, "Boss, why is not there a brand on the Forbes list in the top 500? Forget about top 10, which is Indian." And people say, "ये नाम है, वो नाम नहीं." Brand is something which invokes aspiration. क्या हमने बनाया है? आज बोस भी जो बना है, नाम है, इंडियन नेम है, जो भी है, it has, you know, gone outside and it had happened. Okay, so when we have to build brands, see, India was very utilitarian in terms of market. Utility-led products there, and brands are something which invokes emotion. Now, how do you build that? And when I said, how do I build that? I said, somewhere, celebrities, I have aspiration, and through celebrities, it could be captured. And that's when I came with the concept of living brands. I said, these are what are the core attributes? So today, what we are doing as a business of celebrity brand licensing, it is not about monetization or some inquiry came in और हमने उसको एक brand name दे दिया, और that's how most of the guys are operating. But here we sit with the talent and we understand
their mindset,
what their journey has been, and based on that we map what is the kind of brand can we really build. And I'm saying build as in we are putting a visual identity to it. Like with Lara, when we were discussing, and you know, her journey as a Miss Universe to even, you know, actress, definitely modeling, and you know, she has been you know, very active in terms of giving back to the society, and as a, you know, her personal jewelry, as being the wife, homemaker, mother, you know, all of these things really put together. What is the core attribute? No brainer, definitely Miss Universe beauty pehla aayega. And then we looked at also what she was doing, and you know, as and she's somewhere who is very social, you know, and when it comes to home, you know, if you visit her home, you will feel that there are certain, you know, and I think everybody is thoughtful when they do their own home to do. It is a personal reflection or extension of your personality. And we said, home as a market doesn't have a single brand. It's not about celebrity brand or not. कोई brand ही नहीं है. आज आप brand में जाओ, कौन सा brand? एक कोई भी homeware brand बोलो. Glassware कौन बनाता है? Thermoware कौन बनाता है? I'm just saying. So let's say you'll say Thermoware, Milton है, या Glassware, Borosil है, या you know, you might think of certain plastic storage, or you'll say Tupperware. But जितने भी brands हैं ना, they are very material led. There is no lifestyle orientation. For example,
so if you talk about D Decor,
it's a product ना, furnishing है ना, उसका आपको plate नहीं मिलेगा ना. So there is no home solution brand which is cutting across all your needs, which is dining, tableware, bedding, bath. So I said, Myntra became popular क्योंकि उन्होंने बनाया शॉप द लुक. जैसे इंडिया के बहुत सारे IT लोग बाहर जाके सेटल होते हैं, हम उनको देखो, they wear the most weirdest combination. They might wear a formal pant and on that some white sneakers, and उसके ऊपर कोई striped t-shirt, crew neck. Fuck, because like Asians I've seen have the knack of color and dressing, and they do great VM. They have some aesthetic sense. We don't have it. So India में जब शॉप द लुक आया, तो आप जाओगे एलन सोनी, हाँ उसने ब्लू शर्ट पहना, नीचे यू नो खाकी या बेज पहना है, हाँ चलो ये कॉम्बिनेशन ले लो. तो धीरे धीरे ना हम वैसे सीखे हैं. We didn't knew what to pair with what.
Exactly.
And especially men. Forget about, I'm not talking about women.
Agree, yes.
Okay, and you still find very well, as a very few good, well dressed and well presented men. When you travel, you keep noticing.
Yes.
90% will say, क्योंकि क्या है ना, लाइफ जो हिसाब से है, you know, people haven't really looked at that aspect of life. And it's like when you're in a phase and you're dating, maybe that time you become a little conscious कि मैं जा रहा हूँ, क्या पहन के जाऊँ. But उसके बाद how many people, like when you get married, you get up, whatever जो सूखा हुआ है, जो प्रेस होके रखा आ गया, आपने पहन लिया, आप निकल गए, you're not deciding
You're
that
not
what
planning,
you wear.
yes.
And unless and until you are like Steve Jobs के वही और Mark
Same.
Zuckerberg के,
Same चीज़
you don't have to use your mind what to wear. हाँ. So what I'm trying to say is if you look at all these aspects in totality, what you would look at is when we envisaged home, we thought of bringing a solution, like people say na, solve a problem.
Yes.
सब बोलते हैं
Generally
ना,
सब बोलते हैं।
D2C में solve. That is the problem we solved. And the reason we partnered with Neel Kamal, because Neel Kamal had the reach in cities that other guys were very urban oriented. We said we want to make a difference at the grassroots level. Okay, and we partnered with Neel Kamal because it was a partner who could put a furniture, who could display everything in a thematic way, whether it's cutlery. जैसे हम 5-star होटल में आते हैं, मतलब चम्मच बहुत अच्छे हैं, घर में वो पतरे जैसे चम्मच है, राइट? बिकॉज जो अच्छे कटलरी आती है 2mm है, वो पीछे 1810 लिखा होता है, क्रोम टू निकल का वो रेशियो है. हाउ मेनी पीपल रियली लुक एट, जैसे कप है, जैसे जो सॉरी कप नहीं, इसको बोलते हैं स्पून होता है. स्पून में जो आगे का पोर्शन होता है पीछे 2mm है, आगे पतला होता है क्योंकि वो कप रोल्ड होता है, उसको प्रेस करके है. सो देयर इज बेसिक
डिटेलिंग
प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट which has to go to पतरे जैसा, उसमें कुछ प्रेसिंग नहीं, वो काट दिया, दबा दिया, शेप हो गई, and it's out. So whether it's food grade or not, what steel has been used, what is the porosity, yeah, this kind of detail. I'm just told you about a category which is a non-relevant category in anyone's life. हम रोज स्पून यूज करते हैं. You're a coffee lover?
Yes, I do.
But why? What spoon you use? Teaspoon or coffee spoon?
Normal.
हाँ.
Spoon.
So I'm saying स्पेशलिटी जब होता है ना, कोर है, आज जैसे बाइकर्स है, वो एक पूरा बाइकिंग गियर लेते हैं, क्यों? ऐसा नहीं, स्टाइल के लिए, सेफ्टी के लिए. I'm saying हमने ना कोई चीज़ इसके प्योरिस्ट नहीं बने, हम जो अवेलेबल है वो चला रहे हैं. So I think what we are trying to do is, as world is evolving now, there are brands which has specialty products will only survive. ये generic जो brands है ना, has no value. So for example, if you go to a certain brand like Under Armour, look at Rock collection, you buy the Project Rock shoe and you train, boss, the kind of stability it gives, so it translates Rock's philosophy of lifting heavy, giving you a shoe which you can really wear in the gym. You go on the hack squat, put 45 degrees, and the stability you feel with that one, because लोगों को नहीं पता है, वो sneaker देखा, ले लिया, running shoe है, walking shoe, God knows. Half of the guys are wearing running shoe while lifting weights, squatting, which is unstable. So consumer की जो learning है, like when you go to gym, like some people are, अच्छा ये मार वो मार, अरे but what is the object? What is it that you need to do? Like people are saying protein is bad, ये है, इससे क्या होता है, पीपल आर सेइंग प्रोटीन खाने से कुछ किडनियाँ खराब होती हैं, एंड ये लोग रोज दारू पीते हैं. आई एम जस्ट सेइंग, वो नहीं सोच रहे. हाँ, पीपल आर स्टेपिंग आउट, हाँ, प्रोटीन से क्या होने वाला है. सो आई एम टेलिंग यू बेसिक, आई वुड से वी आर एबिलिटी टू अडेप्ट इज वेरी रेग्रेसिव. कंटेंट देखो ना, आज आप कंटेंट देखो, हमारा कंटेंट बहुत रिग्रेसिव होते जा रहा है, जो जीसी पे चलता है. आप बोलते हो ना, हम आगे की सोच लेके चल रहे हैं, विजन ऑफ टुमारो. हाँ, पीपल आर फॉलोइंग Elon Musk because he's going to go to space. It's a story that is sold. Everybody is crazy about him. बट हम लोग क्या देख रहे हैं, नागिन. सीरियसली कंटेंट क्या चल रहा है, रेटिंग्स देखो. बिकॉज हमारा कंटेंट बहुत रेग्रेसिव है. इट इज़ अ रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ द सोसाइटी.
राइट.
एंड देन what is happening is very extreme also. This gender thing of who is what. Yeah, I think that is very personal to everyone. Okay, now making a movement out of it, creating a community, and it's just getting too much. Okay, so coming back to where we was on the home thing, we basically envisaged a home solution which is non-existent. So you can go to a brand because it saves you from cumbersome कि नहीं तो आप जा रहे हो फैब इंडिया से टेबल कवर ले रहे हो, फलाना
you are going different places for a.
हाँ, तो you have a integrated solution. And then we did this Arayas Kids. So it was for a kids wear brand from a mother's perspective. That she, and also kids are today aware about their environment. बच्चों को सिखाया जाता है, अरे switch ऑन मत
On मत
रखो
करो,
चार्जर, उसको ऑफ करो, इतनी एनर्जी लीक होती है. दे आर टॉट दीज थिंग्स, बट इन एक्चुअलिटी they are more serious to follow through. So the brand was eco-friendly and animal cruelty free. So when we built this Lara's brand, we thought about there was a brand DNA which was and the name is also Arayas, which is her daughter's name spelled backward. There is an emotion to it, and she has a sense of responsibility because it's her daughter's name on it. And we have built meaningful business which are relevant category extensions through category and strategic partnership to build every category.
तो अपार्ट फ्रॉम लारा और कौन से सेलेब्स के ब्रांड को आप लोग
See, ये जो again this statement which comes ना, sometimes you go to Nike and you never say कि अब Nike के अलावा आपने क्या कितने brands बना लिए, but हम लोग ना जो the way the society approaches, so there are two kind of approaches, and I will say two kind of approaches. It's not a lingo from office की दो बातें हो सकती हैं, but because एक है कि strategic approach है, एक है जुगाड़ as in you came to me, you say, oh, I'm a startup, I want to sign an ex celebrity, but मेरे पास पूरे पैसे नहीं देने के लिए. So ये कैटेगरी इतनी फ्लूइड भी नहीं है, कोई बड़े प्लेयर भी नहीं. अच्छा क्या है, अच्छा ये कैश कंपोनेंट है, इसको इक्विटी में दे दो, ये है, and then the PR will portray it as their brand. So I call it pseudo licensing, or pseudo endorsement actually, not licensing. So and it is a very partner driven thing. There is so for example, the Jordan story, which is the biggest story in terms of monetization of any talent, 4 billion plus. Now again, it was an endorsement deal where he took royalty. So it's not that they had a licensing strategy that he would mean this and that. So it is partner dependent. And I feel what has happened since Jordan days till now, as an agency today, we envisage the entire roadmap for any celebrity and say, this is what your brand DNA is, this is what your brand identity could be, and this is what you need to do it at this phase of life. So like when we did with Lara Skincare, it was not we launched a beauty and cosmetic brand for 20-year-old. We said beauty at 40 means what? So it is very much there is a deeper dive into what you try to do. And like I say, brands today are built more which are packaging and PR led, but this is ultimately you take home a product. So, and it is not about just partner dependent. We do partner agnostic brands. So we have a brand philosophy, and then we figure, like right now I'm working on a couple of brands. I'm working on a brand with John Abraham, and we are looking at, so if I ask you, when you think of John, what comes to your mind? Yeah, bikes, he said, right? Bikes. Yeah, so probably when it comes to bike, there is nobody who fits better. But today we can't make a bike, right?
Oh, obviously.
Okay, so then we thought about safety.
Yes.
Doing responsible riding, because the way people are driving and riding and these crazy videos, and he's one guy who is got a who goes on the track, and
his love for the bikes is
and he can professionally, he's qualified to
talk about this,
to ride a bike on the track, and he's detail oriented. So then we thought about something, and so then helmets came through. I said, what is the issue with the helmets? All the current helmets are heavier. How can we look at the road safety aspect of it? Carbon fiber is the best quality. कार्बन फाइबर के हेलमेट्स हैं अभी 12 to 15,000 है, अच्छे जो ब्रांड्स इंपोर्टेड है 50-55,000 है, एंड देयर आर बिग. सो व्हाट हैज चेंज इन द बाइकिंग इंडस्ट्री? पहले 50,000 की बाइक मिलती थी और आज 5 लाख की बिक रही है, ठीक है. सो दैट प्रोपेंसिटी टू स्पेंड ऑन द हेलमेट इज ऑल्सो गॉन अप. पहले आप 800-900 हज़ार रुपये का ले लेते थे, आज 200-250 है, बट आज आप 5 से 7,000 भी खर्चा कर सकते हो. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल फ्रॉम बाइकिंग परस्पेक्टिव, what is the kind of helmet I need to make? I want the helmet to be lighter on the head because of the neck and spondylitis and you ride. Weight कर लो, मैं उसमें अगर एयर वेकिंग और एंटी ओडर डाल दूँ तो अमेजिंग है. मैं उसको रिमूवेबल और वॉशेबल कर दूँ तो बहुत है. मैं उसमें अलग से वाइजर एक्सेसरीज भेज दूँ, और मे बी आई यूज़ अ पोलराइज वाइजर सो इट रियली you can see in very light. Maybe I give you a yellow inside thing, you can wear it in the night. So बहुत बेसिक चीज़ है. हेलमेट, इंडिया इज द लार्जेस्ट 2-wheeler मार्केट इन द वर्ल्ड. जस्ट इमेजिन इफ यू बिल्ड अ ब्रांड एंड nobody has worked on this collaboration. Was I can straight think of 1,000 crore opportunity just with one category. So I went to
बहुत ही niche
carbon fiber facility, one of the biggest in the country, and we have done our, so we, it's not कि मिल गया कर लिया कोई brand को बोला, boss, we have done our own bit of research, okay, and when we come and there is a BIS norm which has happened in India, धीरे धीरे ना इतना कुछ कर रहे हैं ना सपोर्ट करने के लिए बिजनेस में, बता नहीं सकता। अभी BIS का इकोसिस्टम ही नहीं, आप कुछ चीज़ भेजो तो ब्यूरोक्रेसी बढ़ते जा रही है। आप प्रोडक्ट भी बनाओगे, अभी वो साइन करेंगे तो आप मार्केट ले जा सकते हो। सॉरी टू से, नथिंग अगेंस्ट गवर्नमेंट, बट आई एम सेइंग ऑल एवरीवन और अ D2C guy is expecting is efficiency and support, you know, and then next thing is nutrition maybe, or maybe fitness equipment. You know, he's very disciplined, maybe timing.
You can, yes.
Okay, I'll show you some stuff. You will be amazed offline because I don't want to
No worries.
blow out. I'll show you some stuff,
Done.
and you'll understand how we do it. So we actually build a brand licensing program and build a asset like very brand centric business, and we bring strategic collaboration. So we're working on mandate with Kajal Agarwal. Her brand is called Katika, so paying homage to the Telugu industry. Katika means beautiful eyes. You know, Katika Kallu, I think is the word in Telugu. I don't know, she's, you know, said. And Katika, basically, her brand tagline also says, embrace yourself, be rooted. You know, because we are moving away, and she has this entire philosophy of, again, representing Indianness, and, you know, so she wants to do home, but she wants to bring the spirituality in the home back, maybe using at the carving on the wood furniture, or maybe using copper vessels, or, you know, some kind of blending heritage and the intrinsic Indianness, or, you know, using motifs which are Indian, or, you know, so those are the things that she wants to do in home. And so she also at this phase, she's become a mother and she's got son, and so home is something that she's again keen to build. And it's not about one format works for all. So her approach to home is very different than, you know, so it's very much heritage led and yet contemporary, and that's her approach. And then we are building few categories which she is keen to grow. So then we are working on a chef brand for Vicky Ratnani. I call him India's only international chef because he's done 7 world cruises. He's cooked for the Nelson Mandela, for the Queen of England, for Antonio Banderas, Hillary Clinton, and he truly, like, he's working with Swiss tourism and, you know, Thailand tourism, and so he actually, he's exposed to the global food, and he's someone who can blend both of it. And today if you look at the food that we're eating, हम लोग जैसे मैगी खा लेते थे तो हमको लगता था बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है when I was a kid. Today it's all pasta. Today Maggie's gone out of the window. You know, I think youngsters or college boys are eating more, you know, or it's selling more in the hill stations. And if you look at what we think Vicky stands for is, he brings global food in a way which is palatable more to the Indianness. Like people say ना देसी Chinese जैसे बोलते हैं, क्यों? क्योंकि authentic Chinese अलग है,
Indian Chinese अलग है.
Vicky, we want to revolutionize the way the cooking is done. So we will look at cookware, serveware, and it's a chef specialty product. And also see, with MasterChef and everything coming on prime time, the entire YouTube content with food catapulting, I think it's time for us to build a chef's led brand. And earlier worked on the brand, I built the brand licensing program for Sanjeev Kapoor also. And I think definitely he's iconic, and he's at a different, and Vicky's journey will be very different because the take that we're taking, let's say when we're doing the serveware, we're looking at bringing ramen bowls, because bowls or soup bowls traditional आते थे, आज ramen अलग है, Japanese soup bowls अलग हैं. So we'll bring lot of stuff, like say a pasta normal plate में ले लो, there's a deep dish pasta plate.
Different, yes.
So it will have a food led approach to even your serveware. So now you are seeing that how that food value is coming into this. And I have a lot of ideas. I don't know bounds, but I'll give one idea which is not yet happened, but I'm happy to share because we're not bound by insecurities. So I was chatting with Vicky and I said, यार कुछ करते हैं, बड़ी कंपनी से बात करते हैं, let's make a difference. And like today Viva has built a business out of spreads, right? Yes. And he just made me taste this mango jalapeno ketchup, and I'm like, wow, this can revolutionize mango. The entire Indians are crazy about it. Ketchup बहुत tomato ही चल रहा है, you know. So maybe we go and talk to Nestle, and if they partner with us to do that, it can be a game changer. Or maybe today Haldiram says, okay, we want to go global and we want to take on Lay's globally. He's one guy, you know. So he's done some stuff I can't name because he's got NDA with PepsiCo also on food and all, and I'll tell you later which one it is off the mic. But he is one guy who has the ability to create something which can be a commercial success. You know, so the idea is to even do food condiments. So there are retailers like Urban Platter today, they've come with, you know, diverse, like when you go to let's say Dubai, you go to Spinneys, यहाँ पे जो Philippines से लोग खाते हैं वो मिलता है यहाँ पे, you know, they have got world specialty products. So Indian retail also will evolve. Urban Platter is basically bringing the world food on the table. So with Vicky, he's the right guy. And secondly, आज हम कुछ भी चीज़ लेते हैं, हम लोग उसको मैनुअल नहीं करते, हम यूट्यूब में देखते हैं क्या है. एंड विकी कैन रियली हेल्प. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू आर मेकिंग लेट्स से अ वोक पैन इज देयर, तो हर चीज़ में, और मे बी ऑयल फ्री कुकिंग, वी कैन डू लॉट ऑफ कंटेंट लेड एंड दैट कैन रियली हेल्प अस सेल मोर प्रोडक्ट्स ऑल्सो. एंड द प्रोडक्ट इज ऑल्सो नॉट अबाउट just doing the regular thing, and so doing making a product which is you know, a responsible way of cooking the food. Maybe there are certain coatings on the cookware which is harmful to you. I don't know, just unravel again one thing, but people just buy it, they don't know, you know. Like I had been one day to socials, and वहाँ पे कुछ पेंट था जिसमें वो कुछ सर्ववेयर है, बट ना दैट वाज नॉट फूड ग्रेड एंड दिस सर्विंग बॉस. सो समटाइम्स व्हेन यू आर, फॉर एग्जांपल, सबसे ज़्यादा लोग मासेस किस में खाते हैं? मेलामाइन, मेलामीन बोलते हैं, व्हाटएवर, मेलामाइन. वो उसमें यूरिया होता है बॉस, विच इज़ वेरी हार्मफुल. यूरिया फ्री कितने बना रहे हैं? हाउ मेनी पीपल आर चेकिंग ऑल्सो? सो समवेयर ब्रिंगिंग products which are you know, and with some responsibility, which will make cooking fun, which will make it more efficient, and you know, really bringing content solutions also. So maybe you want a certain taste and we have that condiments, because आज जो flavors आपको चाहिए वो आने के लिए you need the right ingredients. आपने देख तो लिया वहाँ पे, but बन रहा है flavor आ नहीं रहा है. So we want to sell the entire package. So when we, let's say, sell with the entire gamut, with condiments, cookware, serveware, plating is important. When we work on it, we really build. So it's not that I met the first company and they said we'll do it and I've signed. No, I will go and meet all the companies in the category, and I will evaluate from a business standpoint which is the most strategic one and which fits well. It's not about how much of sales they will do initially or whatever, you know. I have my own parameters to really gauge business.
So अभी जितने भी ये सेलिब्रिटी लेड ब्रांड्स हैं, उनमें से आई गेस सिर्फ एक और दो ही अच्छे नंबर पे कर रहे हैं, बाकी तो सारे नॉर्मल ही एवरेज लेवल पे ही चल रहे हैं.
So it's not about celebrity brand. The celebrity brands today are very partner dependent. Who is the partner? Who is what we are doing? What they lack is a consumer product oriented team which understand branding and product. To some extent, a lot of agencies, since they work with a lot of ad agencies, are very strong on communication, branding. But like you say ना, ये तो leap up होती है, packaging है. Product में आप क्या difference ला रहे हो? For example, I use this word called compelling product. Compelling product क्या है?
और कितने celebs उन प्रोडक्ट को यूज भी करते हैं अपने पर्सनल लाइफ.
नहीं, दे यूज इट, इसमें नहीं है. कंपेलिंग प्रोडक्ट का मतलब क्या होता है? फॉर एग्जांपल
इन जनरल, आई विल कट यू हियर, जितने भी ब्रांड्स मैंने देखे हैं अभी, जितने भी ये अगेन सेलेब्स के ब्रांड्स हैं, उनमें से अपार्ट फ्रॉम बीइंग ह्यूमन, बाकी जितने भी ब्रांड्स लोगों ने बिल्डअप किए हैं वो अपने प्रोडक्ट को उतना यूज नहीं करते.
नो, सो आई विल टेल यू व्हाट, सलमान एज अ पर्सन, यू नो, is extremely insightful. I'm not saying because I work with him every day, like, I'm just saying from the things, because we have one venture, and you know, I always discuss, and you know what comes through. He's extremely insightful, and what he also built was something that he can carry. It's not that आपने कुछ कर लिया है. For example, there are a lot of celebrities, when you look at them, say they are, if you have to let's say imagine a celebrity in a certain outfit, and you know it's not his natural style. I love John because, for example, he loves being comfortable in chappals. वो सब जगह chappals में जाता है, and he is cool about it. So I think if he can bring coolness to chappals as a category. That chappal, and he's very savvy about being, he works for really, for animal care and cruelty free products. And if you can make, let's say, a chappal with non-leatherite material, इंडिया में ओपन फुटवेयर कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट्स 95% ऑफ सेल्स. क्लोज फुटवेयर जो बोलते हैं इज जस्ट 5%. पूरा ऑर्गेनाइज अनऑर्गेनाइज बोल रहा हूँ. अब जाओ सब जगह सादा लो. एंड इफ यू कैन मेक चप्पल्स वेयरिंग कूल एज अ cultural mindset, and John can do that. Some smart looking nice chappals, non leather, great proposition.
Because तब end consumer भी feel करता है कि हाँ
अब if you're cool, your chappal, you're like wow, but how many, like, so the idea is that I'm also telling you now, logically you're saying हाँ यार fit है. So आप देखो उसकी personality है. जब मैंने बोला health, fitness, helmets, so the idea is to really understand that and say, okay, where is the gap also? What is it? Like, for example, I've seen a lot of South stars wearing Hermes sandals now, right? So I'm saying, ठीक है, they can afford, they can have it, but I'm saying, how do you revolutionize a product and how you bring dignity? So, for example, when I look at chefs like Sanjeev Kapoor, they have brought dignity to the profession. John can bring dignity to wearing chappals and their product. So we were in conversation with Bata, but their approach was very tactical and not strategic. So we didn't go through. But we are working on few things. So some things that we will develop, he will also wear. So his chappals will have his own qualities. Rugged hoga, mazboot hoga, tikau hoga. It will have certain stability, so, and it can have a heavy body. So for example, other thing that I was looking at, so homes. So his father has a company called, I think, John Abraham Architects, is because in 60s he made a company, and like Asian Paints also covered his home. So he has got a certain aesthetic about home. So think about a home from a man's perspective. Like if you're sitting on their couch or sofa, what is the kind of, so we can even think of J17 Homes. For example, he's very savvy about posture and fitness. So something which is ergonomically designed chairs and couches, maybe a mattress which is for deep sleep recovery, because when you're lifting deadlifts and heavy weights, when you sleep, your spine position, the way, because when you get up in the morning, the body has to recover, right? Because you're breaking down the muscle. So there are lot of extension of products. Now I have told you certain things that is not naturally coming to you. Helmets came naturally, right? Biking.
Right.
Now this I'm saying, this is well-being, because fitness again is nutrition. So maybe let's say I have a clear protein, lactose free, fruit based protein, which delivers 30% protein to you. Wouldn't you want to buy on shelf, and instead of buying a sweetener drink, right? Ready to drink protein. And I'm saying minus your lactose, because a lot of people are lactose intolerant.
Right.
So there can be a lot of products which could be, like, I can think about making, somebody said which is the most random product, which is you can, and then I can do healthy snacks. For example, if we can do healthy snacks with John, because you're munching every day, because it is all about outside the gym, which creates your physique and maintains your six-pack.
Yes.
So instead of putting some fried thing, which people are proudly talking about valuation and all, I'm saying
healthy मिल जाएगा. Yes, you can.
Today foxnut, जो ये मखाना बोलते हैं, is a superfood. Look at millets. So maybe we create certain breakfast options with millets or foxnut, or so they could be. And in fact, John's wife does some great products, healthy products, sugar free, and it's not really commercially, but I've seen she comes up with crazy stuff, and some few things John definitely offers us to taste sometimes. But like for example, almond milk she makes in the house, and the almond milk that we get, you look at the percentage.
Totally
so nutrition definitely could be also a healthy option, because see, if you look at the world, everything is moving towards health and nutrition and wellness, whether it's clothes. So clothing का भी simple है, I'm saying. फॉर्मल वेयर होता था, डेनिम वेयर होता था, या कैजुअल वेयर, डेनिम कैजुअल वेयर बोलते थे. बीच में एक ब्रांड आ गया कलर प्लस, सेमी कैजुअल. हाँ, उसके बाद एक्टिव वेयर होता है, अभी डेनिम होता है. अभी बीच में एथलेजर के लिए बहुत है, प्योर प्ले एथलेजर ब्रांड कोई है ही नहीं. एक्टिववेयर है, बट यू कैन रियली बिल्ड विद जॉन. मे बी we can create a athleisure. He's always in track and these things. We can create some smart athleisure, and right now you get knitted trousers, doing something which you're comfortable or
It's
all
all about psychological,
t-shirts.
approach.
No, something you're easygoing. You can travel, which doesn't need, let's say, ironing. Which helps you look smarter also and presentable. So I've told you now the categories when I'm thinking of it. You imagine the kind of categories we came up with. So if you have a roadmap and say you start with this and this will come just few months away, I'm saying, you will see how what I said and what we're doing. So we worked on few other brands also, and there has been a journey there. Like when we started working on Prowl with Tiger, again COVID happened, and that time we thought about what is it that we can do. And during COVID time, all the gyms were shut, people wanted to train. So, and Tiger was always of the opinion that I want to reach single screen audience and also the multiplex audience. So we did a hybrid deal with Flipkart Myntra. Signed them for fitness equipment, which was, so let's say in the sasta selling category we were the best. So Sandfield आता हमने Sandfield नहीं किया. So we started a home gym equipment, and because he wanted to inspire people to take on fitness at home and not lose the regime. And so we created Prowl Fitness. Then we partnered with Carrera, because see, men has to look glamorous. How they look, they don't wear jewelry, right? Certain men do now, but mostly I'm saying you wear a nice sunglass and you look stylish and glamorous, right? So there are only two brands I thought of going to, because Tiger will flip and that should not fall, it should stay. I said only Oakley या Carrera. Carrera agreed, we signed Carrera, and we did Prowl Carrera. So again his, and then we launched health supplements. So he's very well read and he's been a personal trainer himself, and he understands nutrition. So all his inputs were given. So like if you buy the Prowl coffee, what we launched, it was like it would taste like the best coffee in the world, and we had put certain enzymes which helps you digestion. So after वो पीने के बाद वो जो bloating होती वो नहीं
होती. Nice.
So you feel like you had a cold coffee and you had protein.
I'll definitely try.
Yeah, so we built it across multiple categories. We started with cloud kitchen also. Something works, something doesn't work. And during COVID, because permissions नहीं मिल रही थी, and Hyderabad and Bangalore, around 40 cloud kitchens, because we said at least on the go healthy food. So for example, like if I can have, like, say, a chicken tikka which is with a minimal oil and let's say a multigrain bun on it with some low fat thing or a dressing or something. Now that's palatable to the Indian youth. जैसे रोल्स आज फासोस ने बनाया सबने, या मे बी अ हेल्दी चिकन टिक्का रोल. So we had multiple products on the go so that you don't compromise on your protein intakes. We started, so it's been a journey. Like we had deodorants also, because and it was available in formats like, say, DMart, and which was accessible also. So because you have to smell good, because you're training, you're sweating. So if you look at the journey, you get up in the morning, you're taking your whatever protein shake or pre-workout that was available. You go to the gym, you dress up, athleisure clothing, there's the gym wear also happening. And for the multiplex audience, you can buy it on Myntra. For the masses, Flipkart with cheaper products. And then after that, you spray or deo, you come out. It's sun, you wear a sunglasses. So it really takes you through the entire journey of offering products to really build a brand ecosystem which delivers and helps your fans emulate your lifestyle.
Nice.
So others who are working, it's deal based. Some brand will come, they'll say हमको बनाना है. So it is very much the partner driven. You don't have a strategy, and unless and until when people think of doing their brands, वो conventional way में कर रहे हैं. वो ऐसा नहीं कि brand ideology, brand strategy नहीं, वो खुद करेंगे, हाँ sourcing करो. Now that doesn't become scalable, and इसमें आप कितने categories expand करोगे?
Category expansion बहुत है.
And I'm talking about when we signed Myntra and Flipkart, they already had built HRX to a certain level, and that was the right partnership. If you think, I'm just saying logically also, when we signed eyewear, because I wanted him to wear that eyewear. अगर सस्ता वाला होता 1000 वाला तो you're definitely and also you don't want to do things which he doesn't carry. Like you
This
said,
is the main
Salman,
thing,
the
yes,
reason he could carry because that quality was of that. So I think that balance is important.
Yes, it is.
So building celebrity brands is not my personal agenda. I think if you have to build brands in India, celebrities capture aspiration, and because of social media following, it gives you a certain critical mass to really captivate, build a certain early adopter, in a PLC curve.
Yes.
Then there is a chasm, then the early majority, and then and also it keeps engaging because आज आप डिजिटल मीडिया, अब एवरीबडी सीइंग डिजिटल मार्केटिंग इज बिग एंड ऑल. यार बिग की बात नहीं है, रीचिंग कंज्यूमर इज बिकम अ चैलेंज. मास मीडिया कोई ले नहीं रहा है. हाउ नॉट बी नहीं, पीपल आर सब्सक्राइबिंग टू न्यूज़ पेपर्स और GCs आउट. एंड आज जो यूट्यूब और आप स्क्रॉल मॉडल पे हो, इंस्टा एंड ऑल दिस, जैसे आप यूट्यूब आप चालू करते हो, आपको तो स्किप करना है ना ऐड. आप तो मेंबरशिप ले रहे हो स्किप करने के लिए. हाउ वुड यू रीच? बट दिस ऑर्गेनिक कॉन्टेंट, आज पिंक विला देख रहे हो सेलिब्रिटी की लाइफ में क्या हो रहा है, तो दिस becomes like a organic hook.
You have to organically
so somewhere it helps you building celebrity brands help you build constant engagement through content, and then like what we did, retail activation today, you can always do all of these things. So it is living brand, you can interact with the brand, you can consume, it's
So what do you think, building
authentic.
brand offline is easy or online is easy?
ऑफलाइन ऑनलाइन का नहीं है. देखो मेरा सिंपल है, मार्केट में बेसिक बोर्ड फंडे सिंपल है. आप जहाँ कंज्यूमर है ना, वहाँ पे आप बेचो माल. पहले क्या होता था, लोग बाजार लगते थे, जैसे बॉम्बे है, ऑल मैकडॉनल्ड्स आर आउटसाइड रेलवे स्टेशन. क्यों? कि उतरे भूख लगी वहीं, तो दे हैव डन, दे आर डेफिनेटली अमेरिकन, बट जो हार्ड कासल और अमित बिल्ड दिस, आई थिंक देयर स्ट्रैटेजी वाज वेरी मच एप्ट, क्योंकि सबसे ज़्यादा लोग वहीं पे निकल रहे हैं इतने, एंड सो बी वेयर कस्टमर्स आर. And online today I think gives you reach because of pin codes reach, and so जहाँ पे भी लोग उसको like करते हैं, they can order. Physical भी available है, तो nothing bad in it. So I think omni channel, which is the key word. See, we are just bringing every decade new jargons. वही है, there is business में so similar है, demand supply है, availability you have to ensure, and you have to make the brand relevant and keep kind of reinnovating yourself,
Right.
because otherwise then people get tired of, and today लोग बोर बहुत जल्दी हो जाते हैं, attention span का issue है. So coming back to brand building, I would say remember unmarketing, don't sell your product and brands. You have to basically engage them through storytelling. And I think storytelling is crucial, like what we are doing on podcast, and storytelling is very important for a brand. And somewhere in terms of D2C brands, I would say moment marketing is good, but be sensitive to it. Like someone like Bombay Shaving Company putting that girl's poster and being totally unapologetic about it is really a bad taste, honestly. Those things, moment marketing, I think someone thought, but if that was your own sister and daughter and somebody would have done, how would you, or it was you. Yeah, don't make money or build traction basis on somebody's humiliation, or so somewhere I think we have to be sensitive and be balanced and do effective storytelling, and don't get into trading mode. एक कुछ प्रोडक्ट बनाओ, उसमें USP बनाओ ना.
Right.
आज जैसे मैं प्यूमा है, लाइक पीपल से लाइफस्टाइल शू है, व्हेन आई लुक्ड एट द नाइट्रो, आई वोर इट. उसके जो हील में जो बीच में जो नाइट्रो डाला है, यू वेयर इट ना, यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग अ लिटिल लाइटर. इट इज़ बेसिकली अ कंपेलिंग प्रोडक्ट. इट मेक्स यू मतलब आपको चलने में, आप मॉल में घूमोगे, यू विल फील लेस पेनफुल. इट्स कंफर्ट है ना, कंफर्ट और कन्वीनियंस है. अ ड्राइवर कन्वीनियंस आज ई-कॉमर्स क्यों? क्योंकि इट्स कन्वीनियंस टू शॉप and ultimately comfort. Now people want everything to come to them, clothes to be comfortable, everything comfortable, flight, journey. So convenience and comfort. So look at your brand parameters, if you're building brand, and why will some people buy once but twice कब लेगा? जब तक ना वो perennial business अगर बनाना है, तो repeat, तो look at RFM, recency of purchase, frequency of purchase and monetary value. आज आपने क्या प्रोडक्ट खरीदा है, मतलब रिसेंटली क्या खरीदा?
Recently, I guess, मुझे खुद को याद नहीं.
क्या खरीदा?
Recently, कपड़े. हाँ,
कहाँ से खरीदे?
Zara. I went Zara and bought few
So if you bought t-shirt, you can buy every visit. So your recency of purchase does not impact your frequency of purchase. Okay, monetary value is also not steep. You're not buying a Armani,
Right.
or you're not buying a Louis Vuitton कि यार ठीक है यार 2-3 हो गए काफ़ी है, right? So always judge that. And Zara लोगों को क्यों पसंद है, क्यों है? Because it's in trend.
Yes.
It's not about Zara is very aspirational lower क्या, नहीं, वो पूरा रिप ऑफ है जो भी फैशन रनवे ब्रांड है सबका है. It's in trend and people keep buying. So, and if it's using the right fabric and the right fit they're delivering, people will continue to wear it. So look at, if you're building a brand, what does it entail? For example, उस दिन मेरे को कोई पूछ रहा था what is that segment that you think कि ब्रांड बन सकता है. मैंने बोला आउटडोर में ब्रांड बनाओ ना. आज वुडलैंड टिम्बरलैंड को कॉपी करके बन गया है, विच इज़ अ फैक्ट.
Yes, exactly.
हाँ, बट आप एक आउटडोर ब्रांड बनाओ, पूरा फिलोसफी बनाओ उसका, पूरा ऑलिव लो, कैमो लो, इतने लोग कैंपिंग जा रहे हैं, उसके अराउंड स्टोरी है. यू नो, यू टेक अ लाइसेंस फ्रॉम नेशनल जियोग्राफिक फॉर एग्जांपल, डू समथिंग, हैव अ
ट्रैवल कैटेगरी बहुत इस वक्त
नो सो आई एम सेइंग आउटडोर में ट्रैवल है, उसमें आप कैंपिंग बहुत कुछ कर सकते हो. बिकॉज पीपल यू नो, सो देर इज अपॉर्चुनिटी. जो लोग बोलते हैं ना सैचुरेट हो गए, मैंने आपको कितने कैटेगरीज ऐसे ही बता दिया. सो इफ यू थिंक देर आर लॉट ऑफ वाइट स्पेसेस, यू कैन बिल्ड योर ब्रांड्स देयर, एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो kind of bring technology play into it, because technology is available today, but unnecessary technology doesn't help. You know, so for example, I'm not a big fan of tracking fitness app and all this यार. मैं कितना स्टेप्स क्या चला, नहीं यार, उससे अच्छा एक अपना डिसिप्लिन बनाओ. दीज आर ऑल डिस्ट्रैक्शंस. ठीक है, यू वांट टू काउंट, यू कैन काउंट, बट आई थिंक अगर आप जाके रोज एक रूटीन फॉलो कर रहे हो, डू दैट. लुक एट हाउ योर रिप्ड you're getting. Your clothes will tell you.
Yes.
Your clothes will tell you the story, right? Look at that. So basically what I'm trying to say is, for the D2C brands, they have to look at what is it that they are trying to build. Don't do this transactional business, because आज आप कर रहे हो कोई deep down pricing करके आपको wipe out कर देगा. Unless and until you want to make a transactional money, see that's a very different mindset.
If a product is good तो आप चलते रहोगे, otherwise pricing war पे तो आपको सर पार कर देंगे.
So people can, like, जैसे अभी काफ़ी नए concepts आए थे. When I looked at चुंबक also, they created a novel concept, right? So बना सकते हो आप, बहुत कुछ बना सकते हो. But you have to think what's your calling also, and not everyone can do everything.
Exactly.
For example, look at a lot of these brands like Mamaearth, the way they have made it, or Sugar है, तो बनाया है ना, ऐसा नहीं कि लैक में नहीं एग्जिस्ट कर रहा था. ठीक है, so you have to keep pushing, you have to keep engaging consumers. I was looking at some other cosmetic, they started doing these makeup classes and selling kits. You know, there are various ways. तो आप जैसे कर रहे हो, और ऐसा नहीं कि बड़ी कंपनीज, आज बहुत बड़े बड़े कंपनी रूट भी गए हैं. आज कोडैक नहीं है, टपरवेयर डिक्लेयर्ड बैंकरप्सी. सो देयर इज अ चेंजिंग ट्रेंड, पीपल आर मूविंग अवे फ्रॉम प्लास्टिक. होमवेयर जैसे है, तो सडनली सब लोग वो ग्लासवेयर यूज़ करने लगे हैं. तो मैप ट्रेंड्स, अडैप्ट, एंड यू कैन कीप डूइंग इट, एंड ट्राई टू बिल्ड वैल्यू इन द ब्रांड. ट्राई टू हैव अ प्रोडक्ट प्रोपोजिशन विच इज़ ग्लोबल. So my philosophy is build IPs, strong IPs. So there is a quote by Jon Stewart, you know, which in a way I can't quote exactly, but he said that if I were to part away with the brick and mortar and the IP, I would take the IP, and still I would do farewell. You know, which means that IP is an intangible asset. You know, he's the founder of Quaker Oats. So, and I'm a very brand centric person, not for buying big brands and wearing big, not like that, but I think what you need to do is capture your brand ethos and philosophy and captivate a certain consumer which will. So for example, इंडिया में आज हम क्या बेच रहे हैं, सब कुछ ग्लोबली जा रहा है. सब तो योगा बिका है, राइट? उसको हमने मोनेटाइज किया नहीं है. टर्मरिक, अभी घी की बात हो रही है. फॉर एग्जांपल, बिगेस्ट फिटनेस, लोग से ना हेल्थ एंड फिटनेस, यार योगा पे लुलू लेमन बन गया, योगा पैंट्स पे, और वो किसने बनाया? कनाडा की कंपनी ने.
राइट.
लाइक यूके भी कंपनी है, वो जिमशार्क जिसने बनाया है. दे आर आल्सो 600-700. तो उन्होंने जिम कम्युनिटी को देख के उनके ओवर साइज जो भी है पैटर्न, बट हम क्यों नहीं बना पा रहे हैं?
हमारी चीज़ें नहीं,
क्योंकि हमको सबसे सस्ता चीज़ बेचना है. हम महंगा चीज़ क्यों नहीं बना सकते? बना सकते हैं. एंड ऐसा नहीं महंगा चीज़ें हम नहीं खरीदते, ये हमारा माइंडसेट है, क्योंकि
हर टाइप की ऑडियंस है.
हाँ, बिकॉज हमको लगता है सस्ता बेचना नहीं. you hold on to it, बिकेगा. So you have to all work on brand positioning. You said a D2C brand.
Yes.
Think about brand positioning and hold on. जॉकी पे डिस्काउंट देखा है कभी?
नहीं.
They have hold on to their position, right? They were once on some e-com platform and they did a discounting and they stepped out. It was a large bloody business, I'm telling you. They stepped out, but they said नहीं. तो आपकी फिलॉसफी होनी चाहिए. डीप डिस्काउंटिंग स्ट्रैटेजी भी आप ले सकते हो, बट व्हाट इज द वैल्यू? क्योंकि कंज्यूमर की जर्नी में ना कंज्यूमर ऊपर ही जाएगा. आपको मेरे को एक बात बताओ, आज आप एलवी से शुरू हो के आपकी एस्पिरेशन है कि मैं एक दिन बाटा या पावर पहनूंगा, नहीं ना. आप सोच रहे हो कि यार एलवी के बाद मैं क्या लूँ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आज रोलेक्स या रिल से हमको पाते फिलिप लेनी है, जो भी है, या जेकब्स लेनी है घड़ी में, यू नो. सो एवरीबडी इज ट्राइंग टू क्लाइंब हायर. जो कंज्यूमर आज डीमार्ट जा रहा है, वो कल चाहेगा कि हम अर्बन प्लेटर या ऐसा कुछ वर्ल्ड क्यूजीन या नेचर्स बास्केट या बेटर इन्वायरमेंट में शॉप करें, राइट. सो इंटरेस्टिंगली पता है समथिंग विच इज़ आई एम नॉट वेरी प्राउड अबाउट. एंड इंडिया में ना जो डिस्पोजेबल इनकम है और जो एक पब्लिक में पैसा जाना चाहिए वो नहीं जा पा रहा है. इसके लिए हम नीचे उतरते जा रहे हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल शॉपर स्टॉप आया 94 में, प्रीमियम ब्रांडेड रिटेल. उसके बाद जितने भी रिटेल फॉर्मेट्स आए, पैंटून्स, वेस्ट साइड, दे लेवल डाउन ही आए. उसके बाद जहाँ पे स्केल बढ़ा, जहाँ पे ज़्यादा स्टोर्स खोलने थे, वो FBB और इस टाइप के स्टोर्स थे, वो अगेन हाइपर मार्केट्स या सुपर मार्केट कैटेगरी में गए. और आज जो ज़ूडियो आ गया है, जैसे मैक्स रिटेल था, अभी वो उससे भी नीचे गया है. तो कंज्यूमर क्योंकि ऊपर ही नहीं आ पा रहा है, तो पिरामिड है ना, आप नीचे जाते जा रहे हो,
राइट.
तो लुक एट, वी आर नॉट prospering as a country.
West side is totally different.
You understanding what I'm saying?
Yes,
right?
yes.
तो I'm saying आज हमारे ब्रांड्स ऊपर जाने चाहिए ना. हमारा कौन सा ब्रांड ऊपर गया है? Which is the most aspirational Indian brand? जो इंडियंस ने बनाया, you can't think of.
Right.
Sad, right?
इंडिया में राइट टाटा नाम आता है, बट इट्स नॉट द
इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट है वो.
इट्स नॉट द ब्रांड एज, मतलब ब्रांड है इन अ डिफरेंट वे, बट नॉट.
हाँ, समवेयर चलो जिसने वैल्यू ली है तनिष्क, आई वुड से देयर ब्रांड ज्वेलरी में दे हैव कंसोलिडेटेड, देयर इज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी दे सॉट. और इंडिया में सबको गोल्ड लेके पार्क करना है फॉर व्हाटएवर रीजन. सो सी दे हैव क्रिएटेड अ मॉडल, बट अगेन
बट स्टिल
यू वुड से टिफनीज, तनिष्क, तो आप किसको,
टिफनी
या कार्टियर या व्हाटएवर, यू नो. सो स्टिल क्योंकि पोजीशनिंग ग्लोबल मिसिंग है वहाँ पे. आज ग्लोबल ब्रांड्स इंडिया में आके ग्लोबली, लाइक वो राजीव बजाज ने एक स्पीच में बोला था ना, पीपल इफ दे कैन मेक अ बिजनेस आउट ऑफ सेलिंग अ वड़ा पाव इफेक्टिवली, बर्गर इज अ वड़ा पाव इक्विवेलेंट, राइट, and create a $700 million business, whatever, now it's $1 billion McDonald's, right. And if people can sell one cutting chai typically, which is the coffee, which is Starbucks, can't we create a motorcycle and create a $1 billion business? Is it so difficult to dream? So I think the good part is I love Anand Mahindra. I think he's dreaming big. I see his cars going globally. Tata also trying to bring in. So I think we are still in the learning curve. We have the aspiration, but we need to get कॉन्फिडेंस इन आवर ओन डिज़ाइंस. आज भी क्या होता है, अच्छे से अच्छा कंटेंट मेकर है, उसको लगता है कोई पुरानी पिक्चर का सीक्वल बना दे, क्योंकि ना पीपल आर वेरी वेरी ऑफ फेलियर. पीपल से ना फेलियर एक्सेप्ट करो. हाउ मेनी पीपल बिलीव इन देयर ओन आइडियाज़? Like somebody was saying me that you quit multinationals and you're doing this today, this person is that, and you whatever तुम्हारे बाद वो आया था. ये सब नहीं है यार. I am doing something which is purposeful and meaningful. I am utilizing my mind like what you are doing, and something will happen out of it. And big, small, everything. But I'm saying like John ने मुझे एक चीज़ बहुत उस दिन अच्छी बोली थी. बोला यार मुझे, I said what kind of filmmakers you like to work with? He said, I said honest filmmakers. And I said, what do you mean by honest? He said, yaar, every story has to be done a justice. Let's say if it has to be shot in a certain way, in a certain location, people shouldn't shortchange because यार क्या पता चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं है. And I loved it. And I think the DNA of any brand building has to be honesty and authenticity to it. And that's where it will and you know, you can't build a brand where the celebrity comes one day for the shoot and it's treated like endorsement and you know they need equity and business transactions है ना, brand नहीं बनता. ठीक है, value बन जाती है, they've created wealth also, but I think the real brands will happen which will survive and sustain if talent really get into the skin of it, have patience, and it's a long-term proposition. It's not
it's
built.
not short term. Yes,
Yeah,
absolutely.
so I think talent-led brands is a great opportunity, and I think for influencers there could be great opportunity to monetize beyond content, and I would say refrain from doing your own business, but आप एक category का लेके दो कर लोगे. I think try to figure out an ecosystem which can help you monetize and build a robust ecosystem. You know, we are one platform, you know, and I'm sure many more such platforms should come up, but with product orientation.
Right.
It's not about deal making, you know, or doing some pseudo endorsement backdoor deal, framing it to the consumer as their own product. It doesn't work that way. You know, there are many brands, I can tell you enough of examples. So the idea is of the conversation was to talk about how celebrity brands could be built, and the approach has to be different, I would say. And marketing, I would say it's all about storytelling. You need to have a very robust strategy, and you know, and deep down you have to believe in it. And if the
unless you
storytelling,
don't believe that your product or your
हाँ,
brand is going to be
नहीं आप believe करो ना. Like I still remember there is a company based out of New Zealand called Allbirds, na? Or Seabirds or Allbirds, something is there, and that guy made a shoe, multi-purpose, and you know the and he gave it to very significant president and prime ministers of other country, and I think the New Zealand prime minister was wearing it. उसका पूरा रिप ऑफ बना है नीमेंस. आप देख लेना. So I'm saying there is nothing to reinvent the wheel. Like for example, people talk about Nike. Nike कहाँ से बना है? जापान. जो कंपनी थी उनसे का टाइगर, उसको उन्होंने फाड़ के बनाया था. So I think learn, adapt, you know, then put your idea and say, okay, now this is what we bring in. There is nothing wrong in reinventing the wheel, but try to create an offering, a product, which and be passionate about it. So the best example I always give is Apple, because that guy never thought about taking engineering to consumer, but looking at how do you enhance the consumer experience. क्या चाहिए, the sleeker that they keep getting, and the kind of functionality.
One point he said कि consumer don't know कि उनको क्या चाहिए. We have to create something for them. Right.
No, and also the technology is transcending.
Obviously.
For example, phone जो हमने कॉल के लिए बनाया था उससे कॉल ही नहीं होता है, because networks are so bad. उसमें बाकी सब चीज़ें हो रही है. So primary functionality has to be there. It's like if you buy a car, वो चल ही नहीं पा रही तेज,
तो
उसमें म्यूजिक है, मसाज हो रहा है, सब हो रहा है, but what's the point? It has to, it should be maneuvered properly. It has to get onto a certain ride quality. So I think people somewhere should remain true to the purpose of the product, and with time I think building brands is getting more and more challenging and engaging consumers. So I think there is a big opportunity for influencers to create multi-billion-dollar brands.
Yes.
But they have to focus on doing the core, and you know, build a brand ecosystem to do it. You know, they can even partner with companies or you know, figure, but it can't be very client led. They have to have a very wide vision and then work on it. If you represent few things, you can really build things, and there is
I guess there's only one or two companies जो influencer को same brand launch करने में help कर रही है. I forgot the name, but yes, there's opportunity for influencers to build brands and to earn money.
इसको build brands का क्या है? साल का कितना सेल हो रहा है? 10 करोड़ हो रहा है, 20 करोड़ हो रहा है, कितना हो रहा है? कहाँ तक पहुँच जाओगे? प्रोडक्ट प्रोपोजिशन क्या है, प्राइसिंग क्या है, व्हाट इज द कंपटीशन, हु इज डूइंग दैट? कुछ नहीं है. वो तो क्या है ना, एक वेव जब आती है, देखो हर के लाइफ में ना तेजी अप्स एंड डाउन्स है. दैट्स हाउ द, यू नो, क्रेसेंट ट्रफ्स, द कर्व इज. सो पीक पे तो बिक जाएगा, बट व्हाट इज इट दैट यू कीप consuming organically? So you need to have certain core brands. So in Disney has to say core is Mickey and Friends, क्योंकि मिकी माउस ऐसा नहीं है कि पोकेमॉन जैसा स्पाइक ले आएगा, या जैसे वो फ्रोजन का स्पाइक है. यू नो, ही दैट स्टेबल. पेरेंट्स विल कीप, अभी भी खरीदते रहेंगे वो. यू नो, यू हैव अ न्यू बेबी, मिकी माउस बनाए, खरीद लेंगे. तो वो ऐसा कोई स्पाइक नहीं है, बट स्टेबल है. एंड those are billion-dollar brands, you know.
Stability is more required.
Yeah.
Then
So India,
I
mein,
often
like I
say,
used to work closely with one of my friend called Sameer. He was part of this Green Gold company, Chota Beam. They also did a significant monetization, but they have to really keep upping the game. But every company starts with content, and somewhere I've seen with content-driven companies now, उनके लिए ये side activity होता है. Unless and until you make it a core, like Disney. Disney has 4 verticals: theme parks and resorts, studio, Disney Interactive, अभी I don't know क्या क्या, और consumer products. And Disney Cruises also, yeah. So what they do is ऐसा नहीं है कि और हर business उतना ही बड़ा है. I think Disney consumer products should be what, $60-65 billion roughly annual retail sales, which is not small. Then their studio is separate. Then their broadcast or television network
it's totally separate. Yes.
and then the Disney Cruises and Disney Interactive is totally different. So I think the companies in the US were very well structured. They're able to attract the right talent, build it. And the फर्क क्या होता है ना, अच्छी और बुरी कंपनी लोग बोलते हैं ना, I've seen it is the quality of people you attract. Sometimes the companies who are very promising, but they don't get the right quality of people, and they get lost into wasteful activities and rivalries, and that all the human ecosystem also impacts your productivity, reward recognition, and everybody wants to make quick money, and so somewhere get a team who is super passionate. And this entire talk about Narayan Murthy to do 72 hours, यार मैं तुमको बताऊं, if you are a true entrepreneur ना, you will think business 24 hours.
Yes. You can't switch off
and
your
I'm not saying
mind.
conscious subconscious होता है,
ये
like
होता
when
रहता
I'm
है वो.
sleeping I'm saying next दिन क्या है, because ना जब तक वो drive नहीं होगा ना तब
you
तक कुछ
can't
ऐसा significant
नहीं कर
बनेगा
पाओगे.
नहीं. तो अभी ये जो हो गया ना, so there is a two thing. One is a my life and employee concept, क्योंकि वो है I want to enjoy life. बॉस जब तक रगड़ोगे नहीं ना तो बाद में स्लॉग करोगे.
राइट.
यू आर इन दिस बिजनेस, अभी ये बनाया है, कंटेंट एडिट है, ये माई एंजॉय लाइफ वाला कॉन्सेप्ट कहाँ है बॉस? एंड इफ ये उधारी वाली जिंदगी है भाई, दोस्ती है उधर से, तो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड. आप अभी कुछ मेहनत करके बना लो तो लाइफ टाइम एंजॉय करोगे.
अभी यंग
एंड
जनरेशन
ऐसा नहीं है, लाइफ में फेजेस होता है. जैसे कभी दिवाली, एवरी कंपनीज ऑन मैक्सिमम प्रोडक्शन, उसके बाद हो गया, देन यू कैन चिल. तो लाइफ में ना इंटेंसिटी ज़्यादा होती है, कम होती है, लाइफ हो जाती है बैलेंस. आई एम नॉट सेइंग है नहीं, बट हर चीज़ का ना वो बन जाता है. एक डिबेट है जेंडर के बारे में. अरे बॉस, मेन एंड वुमेन हैव बीन देयर सिंस ह्यूमन काइंड स्टार्टेड. सडनली फेमिनिज्म बढ़ा है कि मेन बड़ा है, अभी वो LGBT हो गया है. यार आई थिंक एवरी पर्सन हैज़ अ पर्सनल प्रेफरेंस. रिस्पेक्ट इट, लेट देम डू इट. सोसाइटी today which are very traditional and conventional will not accept because they have rudimentary system and mindset. वहाँ पे opposition होगा. In a urban infrastructure where people come from everywhere else, there are going to be certain liberties. वो होगा. ये तो होता है ना कि आप वैसे ट्रांसपेरेंट कपड़े पहन लो और उसमें नोट घुमा के चलो, फिर बोले किसी ने लूट लिया, क्यों लूट लिया, फ्रीडम नहीं है यहाँ पे. So sometimes you have to look at sensitivities. It's like you can't take non-veg to a temple. You can, ये basic चीज़ है ना, ये आप चप्पल पहन के नहीं जा सकते हो, बट आजकल नॉर्म बन गया, अरे वो औरतें नहीं जा सकते हो, मोर्चा निकालो, करो, ठीक है. बट ये जो एजेंडा ड्रिवन है, व्हेन आई टोल्ड यू अबाउट चंडीगढ़ बाइट्स, आई सेड एजेंडा ड्रिवन नहीं होना चाहिए. न्यूट्रलिटी एक होना चाहिए, ओपिनियन भी होनी चाहिए, ओके. बट आई थिंक द वे आई लुक एट the way the entire digital and content and media, everything is really coming through. I think there has to be a balanced approach. जैसे लोग बोलते हैं ना, फिटनेस में क्या important है, extreme diet नहीं, balanced diet. And I think balance is the key word. So D2C brands,
right,
do effective storytelling for constant brand engagement. Don't do transactional business, okay. And then third is trying to find a balance somewhere. That balance and equilibrium is very important. And fourth is think strategic, and fifth is be realistic. Be realistic का मतलब ये नहीं है कि
Be honest about your
नहीं नहीं, बी रियलिस्टिक का मतलब ये है ना, आपको पता है आपके पास उतना ही पैसा है और आप सोच रहे हो मैं इसको कस्टमर एक्विजिशन मार्केटिंग में बर्न कर लूँ, मत करो बॉस. जितना आप बूटस्ट्रैप, आई लव दिस कामत ब्रदर्स, दे हैव मेड अ कंपनी व्हिच इज बूटस्ट्रैप, बन सकता है बस, दिखाया है उन्होंने करके. एंड आई रियली हैव रिस्पेक्ट फॉर फ्लिपकार्ट फाउंडर्स एंड बंसल्स एंड यू नो, बिकॉज आई हैवंट मेट देम पर्सनली, बट व्हाट दे हैव बिल्ड इज इनक्रेडिबल. आई थिंक आई लव नारायण मूर्ति ऑल्सो फॉर व्हाट ही इज बिल्ड. हर एक का ना एक अलग माइंडसेट होगा. आप सबको ना जज करते हो, रिप ऑफ करने मत बैठो. ठीक है, सबका जो पॉजिटिव है अब्जॉर्ब करो और अपना बनाओ.
Right. We can go on and on and on
No,
on
I'm
these
just,
topics, but
I've just given you like the last line.
yes,
Absorb and make your own thing.
yes.
See, I'll tell you what. ये तो मैंने आज जो दिया है ना आपको,
जी.
these are all things which keep occurring to me.
Yes.
And somewhere I feel today the youngsters है ना बहुत वो है. They have lot of some people are damn hungry, very smart also.
Yes.
Okay, but sometimes ना वो जो you know जो एक strategic bent of mind है ना, वो होना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. एंड सबसे बड़ी पता है बात क्या है? ओपननेस. सो आई हैव लर्न मार्शल आर्ट्स. मैं एंड आई एक्सेल्ड इन इट. एक्सेल्ड इन सुपर एक्सेल्ड इन. आई यूज्ड ट्रेन एवरी डे 6 hours minimum, and I did it for like 10 years at least. Okay, so I can do unimaginable things those days. But you know, I went for a tournament hota hai na, and people saw me and like this guy was gone. So what they did is they came in, the first guy came and kicked me on the groin, got disqualified out. The other guy also came in. So eventually I was in a situation where I couldn't continue, so they took me out of it because I demonstrated everything, tried to be extra smart, and I never anticipated a kick below the belt because वो fall होता है. So the lesson is, you might be extra smart, but you always consider anyone who is coming across as probably better than you, and expect the unexpected and be prepared for it. So हमारा हाथ इधर ही रुक जाता था क्योंकि इसके नीचे किक ही नहीं आती थी. Conditioned है.
Yes.
So then I changed my. After that, what I did was a different story altogether. So basically, when you fight, your distance is this much in martial arts. You call it outside the kicking range. You come closer, you come in the punching range. You come more closer, you come in the knee range. More closer is the elbow range, and then the grappling range. And then on the floor, which is mat work, which today is the MMA. I'm talking about 1990s. तब MMA था भी नहीं, मतलब people used to do all kind of. तो हमारा स्पोर्ट्स एनालॉजी है वो पता है क्या है? अब रेसलिंग करते हो तो क्या सिखाते हैं यहाँ पे? पीठ दबाओ नीचे. पीठ दबाते हो तो यू मोर प्रोन, 2 fists and 2 legs आर देयर. सो स्पोर्ट्स एनालॉजी इन रियल लाइफ में बहुत अलग है. इन रियलिटी इफ यू गेट अ कंट्रोल ऑन अ पर्सन, यू मेक हिज चेस्ट डाउन.
Right.
In boxing, when you give a hook, you can't do a back fist. So these sports martial arts and really combat sports are very different. And हमको ग्रैपलिंग सिखाई नहीं आता क्योंकि आप पैरी करते हो मार्शल आर्ट्स में. So how grappling में how you mix aikido with wrestling and leverage and hapkido with blocks and you know impact on the joint, that becomes a holistic combat, which like I love Krav Maga, which is an art. So what I'm saying is, आप जो इकोसिस्टम लेके चलते हो ना मार्केटिंग स्कूल के इन D2C, और जो लाइफ है ना बहुत
डिफरेंट होता है.
बहुत अलग है. तो यू गेट किक इन द ग्रोइन व्हेन यू स्टार्ट योर बिजनेस.
Right.
सो आई एम सेइंग अनएक्सपेक्ट एंड कीप ओपननेस. एंड मेरी एक जो मैंने और चीज़ है ना, लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई डिडंट न्यू यू, वी जस्ट रैंडमली मेट. यार एवरी पर्सन हैज़ अ वैल्यू एंड बी ओपन, बिकॉज समटाइम्स यू गेट क्लोज्ड टू the world because you say no, I deal in this, I'll interact with top talent only, and
Yes.
you know all of that. So somewhere openness is important because वो आपका ना absorption शुरू रहना चाहिए. Like I loved your journey because you did mechanical engineering and from there you started something. It's not that you came from mass media or did journalism and started this, or you did digital marketing, or so sometimes you know your ability to understand and also listen to your intuition and do things and then commit to yourself. सबसे बड़ा एक चक्कर क्या है जनरेशन का? टू कमिट भी है.
Yes.
क्योंकि इंस्टाग्राम और ये क्या बोलते हैं आज के टिंडर और बम्बल वाला है, राइट? एक
right.
जाएगी दूसरी आएगी,
Yes,
वैसा वाला है
yes,
सीन,
yes,
राइट?
yes, yes.
सो बिजनेस में ना यू हैव टू कमिट योरसेल्फ, क्योंकि थोड़ा तकलीफ होती है ना, अरे यार
हाँ,
तो हमको लगता है यार नहीं यार,
हम्म,
तो थोड़ा कमिट करो, लुक एट द रैशनल एंड समटाइम्स ना बी रियलिस्टिकली. वो होता है ना कि आप पैशनेट बिल्ड करना पता है नहीं बनेगा,
तो
exit out,
yes.
wrap it up, you can do it, do something else and have a time to exit also. The exiting is also very important time. So I was talking to one billionaire in the US, runs one of the biggest licensing business, and he said Pokemon made a lot of people and kind of who made money also lost money with it because they didn't exit it. Because इतना बिक रहा था, लोग बनाते गए, and it's like there is one day when all the kids in the world wake up and say it's over. And I was telling this story to the CEO of Spiker and Sanjay said हाँ यार ये मेरे साथ भी हुआ, because हम इतना कार्गोस बेच रहे थे, हम बनाते जा रहे थे, and one day all the youngsters they woke up and they said it's over. So eventually they have to cut it into shorts and then sell it.
Right.
So time to exit.
Yes, I recently read about Priyanka Chopra also closed her restaurant US, and then someone wrote over there कि she did a good job in a particular time frame. Otherwise ठीक है, पैसा है, that doesn't mean कि चलना है. जब नहीं चल रहा है तो you need to have an
incredible, huh?
Yes.
I'll tell you, I have immense respect for Priyanka Chopra, not because she knows Lara and socially, but I haven't interacted because till the time I got into it she was out. But she has reinvented herself so many times. It's like Arnold.
Yes.
She's Arnold equivalent. वो पहले बॉडी बिल्डर बना, फिर एक्शन हीरो बना, फिर गवर्नर बना. मतलब his every 2 decades in life has changed, She from there actress, she became a pop singer. From there she did web series. From there she became a Hollywood actress, and then she's become an entrepreneur. Commendable यार, commendable है.
आई होप आपको आज के पॉडकास्ट से बहुत कुछ इन डेप्थ में जानने को मिला हो, और कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं कि आपको कौन से पॉइंट्स बहुत अच्छे लगे, और अगर आप कुछ गेस्ट को, ऐसे ही गेस्ट को हमारे पॉडकास्ट में चाहते हैं तो कमेंट करके उनके नाम भी ज़रूर बताएं. विल ट्राई टू रीच देम आउट और आपके लिए पॉडकास्ट में उनको लेके आने की पूरी कोशिश करेंगे. एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस पॉडकास्ट.